again, welcome sa isa na namang pickleball video. Today, pag-uusapan namin ang pickleball.
Yeah! Woo! At dahil doon nawala si Chris, ain't no way, bro. It's amazing, bro.
Ain't no way.
Ain't no way. This is our weekly podcast. Okay, next bagong episode na naman, guys, ng ating
bagong season na po, ina mo.
Bagong season na pala. Pickleball season na po. As you can see sa title ng ating podcast ngayon, it is Pickleball was an absolute fucking mistake.
Kasapang pickleball was a mistake.
Tama ba? Nice. As you can see rin po, dahil sa pickleball, wala po yung isa namin. Si Humanus Kenos. May kung asan man siya ngayon, sana...
Baliktad, kasi hindi siya nagtitickleball, kaya siya wala. Gago.
I don't tickleball. What the
Idayan,
fuck,
bro.
bro? What do you mean, bro? Putang ina, ang dami niyan! Hayop ka!
Nag-aayos na ako.
Ang ina mo! Ano yan, Neil? No fucking way.
Guys,
No,
no.
these fucking guys, man. Chris, I need help here, bro. Chris!
Guys, selling.
Bro has fucking forsaken
25K
me,
na lang.
bro. So, yeah, pickleball was a fucking mistake. Pag-usapan natin bakit yan, guys. As you guys can see, yung weekly podcast namin ay weekly pa rin naman. Kaya lang, may mga lapses po.
Wow.
Oh, what do you mean, wow?
Wow.
It's true, man.
Wow
And
lang.
it's not just a podcast, bro. It's like everything else in our lives, bro, has been greatly affected by
talaga,
pickleball, bro. Like, honestly, this is a
No,
national...
bro.
I consider this as a national crisis, itong pagtitickleball na to. Like, it's insane.
Ano bang huli mong naalala last week sa podcast?
So,
natin
last week, we were
Ano
talking about... What was that, Chris? You were the only one yapping last week.
I don't know.
What was that?
I already forgot last week, which is in PR's
Ano man yun?
calculation. It's like very many months now.
No?
No,
It's
this is
just-
last
that
week.
was last
It
week,
was
bro.
last week.
And it's
It
just
was
crazy
obviously last
that
week, man.
within a week, guys, grabe po tong pickleball na to. Like, this thing
Oo,
spread
grabe.
faster than fucking COVID, man. I tell you what.
It is. It did. Crazy shit.
I just wanna... okay. And it's just very concerning, okay? I think this is something
Why
na kailangan
is concerning,
It
bro?
is. Kailangan natin i-address sa mga ating dear viewers na sinisira na po ng pickleball ang kalusugan at ang kapayapaan ng ating mundo.
Oh my God.
Anong oh my God?
You know, and just, alam mo ang aking naisip?
Ano yung
In just
inyong
a
naisip?
week, diba?
Ah.
In just a week, bro. In just a week. Ang daming nangyari, May may gagawin ng, Pax. Sili.
Paxilica?
Alam mo yun, Paxili?
Paxili, yeah.
Just a week, bro. Just a week.
Yeah, we'll touch upon that, okay, later on. Don't worry about that.
Tsaka dumanda rin ang PGDX, di ba?
Oh yeah, yung
Dami na nangyari
PGDX.
just a week, bro.
I wanna talk
Just a
about
week.
that. Okay, within just a week, and then ano pa ba? I have an AI cub now. Okay, AI generated.
Sure,
Tama,
man.
AI generated cub, tama.
Yeah. Wait nga lang, patingin nga Neil, ilan yung putang inang pickleball ano mo? Come
Bilangin mo,
here,
boss.
pickleball double stack burger.
Bilangin mo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here I thought I was addicted to fishing, you know? Buying
know
my
what's
own
funny?
fishing
You know what's
gear.
funny?
What's funny, bro? Konti pa yan. Huwag mo sabihin to konti pa yan. Konti pa yan?
Hindi. You know what's funny? Like,
funny?
last week din, mataas din yung langis.
Okay.
Hanggang ngayon, mataas pa rin yung
Mataas
langis.
pa rin
alam mo yun?
langis. Damn.
Mataas pa rin
that's-
langis.
Akala ko bumaba na last week. Hindi pa pala.
Bumaba after a day, tas bumalik.
Oh my
Like,
God.
3 days
Is
ago.
it like worse? Is it worse than last week's? Or is it like just...
much- it's like
much
kinda
worse.
near.
It's
It's much worse than last week?
It's actually, yeah.
Ay, usapang langis nga pala last week, Aibol. I remember now.
Sama langis last week, kaya ang crazy shit, di ba?
It's actually,
God,
it's
dude.
actually, getting bad
It's worse.
again.
Magkano na? Wait, what do you mean bad again? Is it getting worse?
No.
Is it worse now?
Okay,
or is it-
It was like 120. Tapos bumaba siya na
Yeah.
60. Tapos tumataas na naman siya
Wow,
up
that's a
to
lot.
90 again. Which is,
Gee, I wonder why.
Crazy.
fuck you, Trump.
May gera pa ba?
Gee, I wonder why, bro.
Whoa, see, this is crazy, bro.
See, that's
Gera
what
ba
would
ulit?
happen pag hindi naman sa gera, bro. It's just, alam mo yun, parang nagpapatintero sila, nagkaambahan sila, and then they're just like, fucking everyone up sa ambahan
They,
nila.
they don't stop, man.
Ayun.
They don't fucking
Yeah,
stop.
but can we put a pin on that for now? Okay, I want to go back to pickleball and how it's ruining. Like, this is more important, bro. Like, yung langis, nandyan lang ang langis will forever be there. Pero itong pickleball, like, it will forever haunt us.
Yeah, it
and
will
it will
plague us.
continue to ruin the world, bro. Bit by bit. So let's just focus on Tickle Ball for now.
Kanina pa nag-aayos itong
to
tickle ball na
to
to.
give you guys an idea, my dear viewers. Okay, especially yung mga Patreons natin, especially this guy na Patreon natin. May Patreon pa ba tayo? Sana meron pa.
I think so.
Yes.
Pickleball has, ako hindi ako nagpe-pickleball, pero itong mga to has been consistent with their tickling of their balls to the point na
They are
hindi na kami nakakagawa ng mga PR stuff. You know
Wow!
what I mean, bro?
Sure, man.
Yeah, man.
Gusto natin ng pickleball, bro.
Oh,
Sure, bro.
okay. How many times? I've lost count how many times na parang magre-record dapat tayo. But then again, they were like, ay hindi, Taco Tuesday pala ngayon. And I'm like, putang ina, ano yung Taco Tuesday na pinagsasabi nyo? It turns out, every Tuesday, nagtitikol to mga to. So, okay, fine. Alright, that's cool. You know, there's like a consistent day in the week na parang mag-exercise sila. They're gonna do physical activity. So yeah, sure. All right. I'll put a pin on Tuesday. Every Tuesday. Wala lang recording kasi Taco Tuesday for that. Tickle Tuesday. And then, there were days na hindi naman Taco Tuesday. But it turns out, ay, sorry boss. 8 p.m. Di ako pwede kasi titikol na naman po kasi kami. Wala kayong magagawa. Titikol kami. Sino kaya yun?
Sino yun? Di
Sino ba yun? Out of the 2 out of 5 of the fucking PR boys who are tickling, sino kaya yun? Diba? Like, anong gagawin ko
Alam ko
sa...
si Neil tsaka si Nash yun eh.
Ewan ko, anong gagawin ko sa isang dosena kong mga paddle, di ba? Like, paano ko susulitin yan, di ba? No? So, that's been the case every fucking week. Okay. So, out of the 5 days na magre-record sana kami ng kung ano-ano, siguro mga dalawa lang. I think that's accurate, no? Two times?
Can we get a shit?
1 to 2
on
times na kami
this?
nakapag-record. Kaya puro Metsa Camille yung nakikita nyo for the past week.
Well, you know what? I'm
At
gonna
saka
call it a
million,
blessing
and then-
na wala
Bakit?
si Neil this week kasi natapos natin ang shift at midnight.
Oh, hell yeah!
Tama.
Congratulations to us. May natapos
diba?
po kaming series.
Di ba?
Kasi
Sabi ko sa
tingnan
inyo
mo to,
eh.
tingnan mo to.
Shut
tingnan
the
mo to,
fuck
hype
up!
na
Do
to.
not
Sabi
even
ko sa inyo.
glaze! Do not even glaze this about! This is not a good thing. It's just the other side of the coin, man.
To give you an idea rin guys, like sa aking hyperbaric time chamber, si Neil, I haven't played with Neil for like 2 weeks now or more.
Yes.
Yeah. I think yung huli kong laro with Neil was like yung Metsa Chameleon pa kami. Nung isang hyperbaric time chamber week. But yeah, look at that photo with PGDX. Nice. Let's go to PGDX. So how was it, man? Like how was the outside world? How's the community? Ano nangyari? How many Yakult bottles did you get, Chris?
I only get one. I kind of intimidated one guy to like not give it to me.
Alam mo, feeling ko ang dami nakaabang pero they were like just too intimidated with Chris, you know. Like nandun na sa bag nila, naabutin na lang sa'yo.
Yeah.
Then, yung naglakas loob yata yung isang girl. Sino yan?
Pangalan na Aisha, right? Yeah.
Then, she gave you like a whole fucking thing, man.
Oh,
Guys, next time na makita nyo si Chris, huwag kayong matakot. Okay? What is he gonna do, huh? What's he gonna do to you?
Bite you?
Bite you? Put his dick on the Yakult? Probably, but that's it. Like, nothing else. You don't have to worry about that, okay? It's fine. Just do it. Pabor pa sa kanya yun, guys. Kailangan niya ng lactobacillus sa katawan niya. He needs it.
Tama.
Tama?
Sa katawan niya, tama.
Katawan niya. Unless he puts lactobacilli inside of the fucking Yakult. I mean, Neil, John, how was PGDX?
Wow, why are you asking me? I only went there for a day, man.
You guys all went there for a day.
No.
Saturday.
No, Chris went there for
I
3
went there
days.
3 days.
Damn, 3 days. So,
Which is crazy, you know?
sabihin na so what happened on that one day, nung Saturday?
Saturday.
Go,
It was
John.
crazy, man. Dami tao.
Mararamdaman mo na hindi pala usang PR.
Damn,
Whoa!
oh, that's crazy. That's nice. That's all that matters. Okay.
Dapat
Andun pa
binigyan
rin
tayo
yan.
ng boot eh. Kasi sa dami ng lumalapit sa amin.
Ewan
Dapat
ko
may
ba,
sarili tayong
ba't
boot.
kaya ba
eh.
hindi tayo binigyan ng boot? Di ba tayo naghingi naman? Entitled ba tayo sa
Hindi
boot?
natin kailangan ng boot. Puta na, ibang content creator, walang boot. Ininbita lang din eh.
You know, out of all the times
Yes.
na nagka-boot ako, I never tambayed on a booth. You know, it's
Nah,
always
bro,
like,
pag,
it sucks.
kung may boost
Yeah.
tayo, kulang yung upuan natin. Yeah.
Exactly. I think it's only applicable pag may merch ka or something, you know?
Yes,
We did
yun
not. Did we have merch?
Which we had.
You had merch?
We did.
May nabenta kayong
Soon,
merch?
bro. Soon.
Tratado kasi nila.
Yeah, man. So like what's the energy of PGDX? Kasi I haven't attended a single fucking PH con in like years.
Energy is crazy.
Like this one
to the point na napagod ako. Okay? Ubus na ubus kami ni
Wow.
Bingy. Okay.
Wow, yeah, that's nice. What was the highlight then? Like what was like the weirdest shit that happened?
Weird as shit.
Oh yeah, there's a game doon na I actually
Ah,
enjoyed.
Sepakyo, yeah. I like
yeah.
that.
The
Sepakyo?
Sepakyo, bro.
yeah.
Sepakyo, yeah. Baka laruin natin sa PR, okay?
Honestly, like Sepakyo devs, paano ba yan? Paano ba laruin? Kasi nakikita ko rin yung Sepakyo eh.
What? Sepakyo?
Yeah, Sepakyo. Yeah,
Tinag ko
Sepakyo.
ang dev
That's
eh, para-
Sepakyo dev. Yeah.
Alam ko, di na nanonood yung dev dito, pero may
Vibe
PM
check.
kita soon, okay? I'm
Guys,
gonna
Sa mga nakakilala sa
suck those codes, dry. Joke lang.
Sepakyo devs, okay, PM nyo sila or itag nyo sila dito sa video na to. Okay, we want to play that game.
I think there's only one dev, bro.
Yeah, and he's doing fine. And you know what? I'm a Sepak Takraw player, so, you know,
No, you're not.
valid. Give me that.
You
Yes,
poser.
I am.
You're not.
You poser.
Bro,
You
magsepak
You're not,
poser.
bro.
Putang ina, that was like my
You're a
game.
poser,
That was my
bro.
sport for like
Nah,
for
bro,
like
you
from
poser,
elementary
bro.
till high school, bro. Bago ako
Nah, bro,
mag-parkour.
you do one volley and that's it, bro.
Nah,
You do
man,
one
bro, I do
volley,
that
you kick it
all
once
I
and
know
then
I
it
do
goes-
all 3 fucking touches, bro. Like tuhod, tikab, tapos payo, bro.
Sige,
Tuhod,
ulit ka.
tuhod, tikab, payo, bro. Sheesh. That's what I do, bro. That's what I fucking do, bro.
Damn, Sepak Takraw is ruining PR, bro. I swear to God, bro.
I wish. Kesa yung putang inang tikol ball na, I wish I could see
Hey, this is
people
just
like...
Sepak Takraw with like paddles, you
Nah,
know?
bro,
like-
it's Sepak Takraw but gayer, bro. Oh, man, tangina. Wala
Yeah,
akong nakikita.
actually,
Oh,
I cannot argue with that shit. Tinatawag nga tong gay tennis eh.
I mean-
Sabi ko, yeah, it is. It is, bro. I mean, you'd find more, alam mo yun, girls and, you know, like
mean-
yung bahay dito
I mean-
compared to like playing tennis. Eh.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay.
There's nothing wrong with
There's
that.
nothing wrong with that, by the way. It's just gay tennis, isn't it? There's actually another thing here, okay? Hindi uso yung paddle, yung pickleball dito sa UK. Tennis pa rin tayong sport
Yeah,
nila.
kasi
But
paddle
there's
uso
another
dito.
pandemic.
People are gonna get shanked, you know?
There's another paddle ball, which I have no idea anong pinagkaiba
Paddle?
nung dalawa. Yeah, paddle, bro. Is that a thing there?
Paddle
too,
is
or?
you have the wall around you, tapos mababandayin mo yung bola ron.
Whoa! So it's like
Yeah,
pickleball but for introverts.
But for more mayayaman, bro.
Oh, I thought it was like
For-
okay. I thought it was like a gayer
Yeah.
pickleball, bro.
Yeah, what the hell?
Imagine if there's like a
No,
gayer
bro.
pickleball, brand. That's crazy. Wait, bakit pang mayaman, mas mayaman yung pickleball, ay yung paddleball? Why?
Mas mahal yung
Just a wall,
paddle
innit?
nila eh.
What? It looks the same.
No, it's like
Gago, if pag gagawa ka ng court kasi nun, you have to like make the glasses,
Yeah,
yung walls, mga ganun.
oo.
Ah, wait, that's a
Pag
thing.
pickleball,
Yung
you need to
glass,
just-
kailangan mandatory yun. Akala ko pang viewing lang yun.
It is.
No, what the fuck?
it's
No.
part of the court.
It's part of the game.
Part
What?
of the court,
Bounce ka,
yeah.
Dude, that's crazy. What the fuck? Akala ko pang viewing court lang nila yun na para makita mo yung mga tao nag-ano. So it's part of the thing. Damn, bro.
Why is it part of the thing?
I don't know. Who invented this
I don't
shit?
know.
Why are people so... I don't know. But ganun? Like they make a paddle
I don't know,
and then they
matagal.
make versions of
Matagal na, it's like
different
from the
games about
50s,
it.
man.
Damn.
From the 50s, which is crazy, you know? Ngayon lang nag-boom sa
Ay,
Pilipinas.
boom. So like if you would sa ngayon like if you would tier yung cost ng isang sport. So tennis mas mahal pa rin yan kasi sa pickleball, di ba? Tama?
Yeah.
Mahal pa rin. mas
Lagi
mahal
ka
pa rin.
magkaano doon ng bola eh. Yeah, you
Okay.
gotta like, alam mo yun.
Alright.
Kung gusto mo mag-enjoy,
And then next to fucking tennis is yung paddle.
I would say badminton.
Badminton? Really?
Yeah, you're gonna change the strings and the shuttlecocks, you know, every time. Hindi ba? Sa tingin mo?
I don't know, bro. Like I've always
Also,
thought
you gotta
badminton
buy the
was a
shoes.
fucking was freaking accessible as fuck. Bakit di ko
Akala mo, papasa-pasa lang ganun, edi,
Oh.
that's like bullshit, man. You're not really playing, you're just volleying.
That's like every other sport, isn't it? Oh, so badminton.
yeah, makes sense.
And then after badminton, yun na yung paddle ball.
What?
And then
Inter
after
ba?
Ano,
paddleball,
di kasi nalaro eh. Di ko kasi nalaro eh. So I couldn't,
Yung ano ba, yung tier ba?
say,
I mean,
couldn't tell.
just a tier list, a tier
I
of
can
the
tell.
cost,
tell.
no?
Cost.
Mas mahal pa rin talaga tennis.
Tennis. Pickleball.
I guess so, yeah.
Parehas yung paddle sa pickleball. Parehas sila. Tapos badminton.
Paddle.
Ball. Okay.
So yun,
Damn.
tapos baba.
Basketball pinakababa. Pwede ka nakapaa dun eh. Tapos hiram ka na ng bola dun sa barangay hall nga. Iwan mo lang yung ID mo or
Kalbo na
cellphone.
bola.
Ano Nil, is ball still live? I'm not talking about
Hindi
pickleball,
siya
bro.
nagbabasket.
Di ka na
Di na siya
nagbabasketball.
nagbabasketball,
Di na, wala na ako
Di na siya
wala na ako
nagbabasketball,
nakikita. Pag na-shoot to,
Pag na-shot to, gago.
bading
Iba na
ako.
sa kanya,
Wala na, gago. Wala na ako
Pag
nakikita
ano,
ganun.
pag into, gago. Pickleball na yung
Namiss
bago
ko na
niya.
yun, eyeball. Like, iba ka na talaga. See? See how Pickleball fucking ruins lives, man. Dati, basketball
Yeah,
players
bro.
yun. Ngayon, hindi na.
Dati, million views. Ngayon, ano na lang, no? 10K na lang.
Oh,
Pickleball.
Pickleball, bro. Like, that sucks, man.
I miss
Wrong
the
with you, bro?
10K pa na nanonood din. May magko-comment pa. Tutok shitin pa siya.
Ano, mas marami pa siyang paddle kaysa dun sa basketball niyang hype. Na.
Wala,
Explain, what the fuck do you use?
Basketball dito
Bakit ang dami mong paddle? Huwag mo sabihin, may ultralight, may medium, may...
And
Medium heavy,
there's
ano
different
ka rin
types.
na-
There's different types. There's different types of
There's
paddle.
different
fucking way,
types of
Wes.
paddle.
Mm,
And I'm
nah,
gonna
that's
teach
stupid.
you, okay?
Fine.
Oy, wow,
Go for
wow!
it.
Okay.
Sige, enrich me, bro.
Dagdag oras sa podcast.
Enrich me.
I mean,
Because I'm gonna roast.
what if
I'm gonna roast both of
nakikinig?
you guys kasi di ba nag-Pickleball tournament kayo? I wanna ask about
You
that
can- you
later
can
on.
roast Neil, you can roast Neil.
I will roast both of you. Tangina magka-teammate kayo eh. Dami-dami yung...
Ala,
sige,
kinabahan
simulan mo yan.
first tournament eh.
Hindi. Mamaya mo na yan. Enrich me with
Well,
those
we have three
paddles,
types of paddle. We have standard, we have hybrid, we have elongated, we have wide body, okay? Well, 4 types pala.
Damn, that's
So
like
ito, wide body to.
different
okay.
types of dicks, bro. Okay.
Yes, I know. This is the
Putang
wide
ina,
body.
Mjolnir.
That is a,
Yes, bro.
That is a
Wait,
baby dick.
wait, sorry. Can you start from the lowest tier?
Wala akong standard eh.
Putang ina, ganun ka ano si Eyeball, wala pala siyang standard. So ano yan?
Ito,
that the
pinakauna
next
kong
to
paddle eh.
Pinakamura lang, pinakamura. Ano lang
to
yan,
making
yan.
motorcycles.
Ano na lang, pinakamura to pinakamahal na lang.
Yeah, pinakamura. Pinakamura, magkano yan?
Pinakamura.
Magkano
Magkano yan?
yan? Magkano yan?
1.5.
1.5. Sige.
Hindi, dalawa kasi yung 1.5 eh. So, ano lang, 700.
700. Ganyan, 700.
What do you mean?
1.5, dalawa na.
By pair siya. Okay, sige. 700.
ah.
Alright, sige. Next. Kawasaki, Eyeball. Alright.
Ito, 3.5.
Putang ina, lakas
Ay,
ng
2.8.
isa lang.
2.8.
2.8. Isa lang.
Grabe, tinalan
So wait,
ito.
what is that? That's a wide.
Yeah, wide body. See the body? See?
What
It's wide
the
siya.
fuck? How is that
I don't
being...
know. Malapad.
No.
It actually looks the same. What the fuck?
How does that get regulate? Okay, mas makapal yung isa.
Oo.
So, ano yan? May regulations ba yan? Pag naglalaro kayo, like parang puro wide lang pwede, ganun?
No. Wala. Depende sa
What
playstyle
the-
mo.
pay
Wide
to win
body
pala yung
is
pukin na
control
nalaro
and
yun eh.
speed. Mga ganun bagay, okay?
Okay.
More
Alright.
forgiving, gets mo, may mga sweet
the
spot,
fuck?
mas malaki sweet spot, okay? Ibig sabihin ng sweet spot, kahit dito tumama yung bola, hindi dead yung ball, okay?
Bounce.
Babalik, hindi dead yung bounce, babalik pa rin siya, okay?
Gago, pay
Kahit
to win.
dito sa gilid, okay?
Pay to win na, tama. Pay to win to.
So,
Puta ng
hindi.
libo to.
that is pay to win. What the fuck? Kasi ano ba yung...
It is pay to win, bro.
Ano ba kaya nung Kawasaki na hindi kaya nung nung yung Mjolnir? At anong kaya ng Mjolnir na hindi kaya ng Kawasaki?
Probably the spin,
The
I would say.
spin, oo, the power.
Yeah.
So, mas advantageous pa rin talaga yung Mjolnir.
Oo,
Oh,
eto,
the pay to win nga. Oh, so ano yan? That is
10K.
10K, I
Triton.
think. Yeah.
10K.
Triton,
Triton, oo. Eto, gift ni wife. Kaya I love you, wife.
Oh, W. So yan
Ang
yung...
problema ko dito, lumilipad lahat ng ano ko dito. Sobrang lakas niya, okay? Lumilipad lahat ng
Yes.
drives ko, ng serve ko, okay?
Gago pay to win.
So, kailangan ko mag-adjust. Then, may mga tinatawag pa palang carbon, T700, ganyan, honeycomb, okay?
O, mamaya na yun. Huwag
Mamaya na yun. And this is the-
Honeycomb.
Yeah, honeycomb. This is 16.
16.
16K.
Pang ano na yan Pang one trip sa Japan na yun
This is a
Holy shit.
100% foam.
One way
Okay?
trip.
100%
Ano yan?
foam siya. Mas
Binili mo
control
yan?
kahit sobrang lakas. Siyempre hindi. Thank you so much, Engage. So, 100%
Ako yan,
foam to.
ako yan. Hindi ko yan tatanggapin kasi sabihin ko kay Engage, ay Engage, hindi po, hindi ko gagamitin yan kasi yung asawa ko binigyan niya ako, biniftan ako. ng
Ito na lagi ko ginagamit.
Poor
So,
Suzette,
foam
bro.
siya. Mas matagal yung dwell time niya. Ibig sabihin ng dwell time, yung bago, ano yun dyan? Bago umano yung bola? Bago bumalik?
Putang ina, may
Bago
lag. So
mag-bounce.
dumidikit mo na yung bola like an anime.
Yeah.
Tama.
No way!
Tama.
So, mas control to kahit sobrang lakas ng palo ko, hindi na out.
Putang ina
Okay.
yan. Are you hearing this,
Like
Chris?
how?
What the fuck
Alam
is
mo yung,
this shit?
alam mo yung
May
ano?
mga meta pala
Alam mo yung
dito.
pipiktosin mo, Gian, ano? Alam mo pipektosin mo?
Oo.
Ganun. Para umikot, may top spin and back spin. Yan yun. Maganda yung dwell time sa ganun.
Putang ina, so makakaisang ano ka pa.
Kaya pay
makakaisang
to win
word-
yan, okay?
Makakaisang
Pay
word
to
ka
win.
pa dun Pagka tama.
Ito ata yung isa sa...
Yeah.
Dude, that's so dumb,
Yeah, bro.
What the fuck?
Ito ata pinakamahal ata to. Alam nyo ba ang polytitanium fiber?
No.
Nakakuha na ano
Oh,
sa mga damit,
what the-
ganyan.
Polytitanium 5.
Oh, you like Marlin, di ba? It's Marlin Apex from Pickpock. Ito yung pinakita ko sa'yo.
Ano yan? Magkano
Sa
yan?
site nila, it's like $300. So,
That's 15,000. No, 6. So,
Mga
18K?
yeah, mga
18,
ganun.
19.
Pero for sure, may
Damn.
discount naman. And look at this, Marlin.
So, ba't yan hindi mo ginagamit?
Nagustuhan ni wife.
So, si
Mas
wife mo
na in love siya
ginagamit
dito,
niya.
oo.
Okay.
And it's all court paddle, all court. So meron tayong power paddle, all court. Ano isa dyan?
Pero we give a fuck.
Control.
We give a fuck about.
So yeah. Sinasabi ko lang sa lahat ng nanonood, okay?
So,
yun lang.
ano yan? Bigay din ba yan ni Merlin? Or
Ni Pickpock. Thank you so much, Pickpock. Siyempre.
putang ina?
Thank you so much, Pickpock.
Kaya pala
Thank you so
umalis
much,
si
Pickpock.
Boss Aibul sa basketball eh. Walang binibigay na bola sa kanyang liga eh.
Hindi ako na-invite sa putang inang mga events.
Okay, sige. Understandable. That was just 4 out of 12 fucking paddles. Asan yung iba?
Alas yung iba, magkakaano na eh. May mga different grits lang
Kapareho
sila,
lang,
ganyan. Oh.
So why are you keeping those, bro? Why are you not getting rid of those? Like,
Why would I?
Why you don't use them?
Damn, bro. Why would I, bro? Sabi niya.
Eh,
You
why
don't use
would
them,
I?
bro. Like, there you have better paddles, bro. Why you just...
Well, depende
Nakalat
sa
lang
trip.
yan.
Alam mo, minsan hindi ko na nagagamit to. Ito nga muna. Parang ganun.
Damn. So, ibig sabihin, pag bumisita ako dyan, may paddle ako mapagpipilian, which is yung Merlin.
Oh, yes!
Gamitin ko.
Ilamin mo
yes.
kay wife, syempre. Ilamin mo kay sa set.
Yeah, that's crazy. Holy shit. Look at these guys, bro. Ganun na kalala, guys.
We're into it too
Yeah,
deep.
Marlin,
Guys
bro.
are
See?
into it.
Di ba,
Full
nag-ano
fucking
ka ng isda? Di ba? Ito yung ano ng Blue Marlin, bro. May maganda nga tong colorway Blue Marlin ang tawag eh. So,
bro, wag mo akong ginagancho sa...
see, bagay sa'yo yung Blue Marlin, boss. So.
Basta isda, you know?
At ito, gawa to sa Melbourne, Australia, boss.
Buti sana kung gawa yan sa totoong palikpik ng
Ito,
ng
US.
Blue Marlin eh. Hindi eh. Alright, si John naman. John, show us your
Anong dyan naman?
show us your paddles,
Nah,
bro.
bro, it's on my bag, man. Layo pa.
Nah, bro. You
Tigil mo
gotta,
na
you
bag.
gotta-
May
Pakita
mga
lang,
different
pakita lang.
sizes pa pala. Yung 16mm, 14mm. Kay Jan, 19mm.
Ba't may butas yung sa'yo?
Walang kwenta to. This is a piece of shit.
Eh, pinakauna niya ata.
So like, 'di ba?
Yeah.
'Di ba may mga mouse na ano mo yung glorious mouse na may butas-butas. So may ganun din ba na pickleball paddle?
Yeah. Meron,
So what's
yes.
the advantage of that? I'm assuming that's the honeycomb thing. Mas
Hindi ko alam kung
magaan.
anong silbi nito, legit.
Mas magaan ba? Tapos
I
like
think
mas aerodynamic.
I
like,
think it's
parang di mo
power.
ano.
Yeah. I think this is for aerodynamic, yung butas na yun. Yung
Pero
ganun.
I guess yung power mababawasan kasi less surface area, di ba?
Yeah. That is true.
Damn.
So, I don't know kung anong... Siguro mas mabilis ka lang hahampas siguro. I don't know. I'm not fucking sure. Hindi ko siya nagamit masyado. Okay?
Is there like a regulation to like paddles? Like, can you make your own custom pickleball
You
paddle?
can, pero kailangan mo ng logo na to.
So pag walang logo, yes. Because I was like
Yan.
thinking like, what if like kuha ka ng
Ayun, no?
paddle nung
Like something approved din. No?
Oh.
Like USA Pickleball approved. So basically, pag gumawa ka ng paddle na sobrang fucked up, you know, they're gonna have to like check kung ano ba yun, ano ba yung ano nito, materials nito.
Sobrang pay to win na
Then
to.
you have to pay.
Dito pwede ka.
Yeah. May ganun legit. May controversial na mga paddles na nagawa before na, alam mo yun, like hindi mo siya lalagyan ng power, like pang ano lang, ganun lang.
Oo. May mga
Tas
ganun
ang lakas
na-
Kasi literal na gumawa sila ng trampoline of a fucking
Yeah.
paddle, you know. So like, isipin mo, people can't fucking catch the ball pag nahampas na ng malakas kasi sobrang bilis talaga. So yun, mga ganun, may nababan. So nag-regulate sila na kailangan ganito lang yung grit, kailangan ganito lang yung something na nasa loob, parang mga ganun.
Damn, bro.
Kaya nagkaroon ng ganito, you know, yung USAP, ang tawag, USA
USAP.
Pickleball. So sila yung nagre-regulate ng mga paddles. So for like tournaments or ano, siguro pwede mo gamitin yung mga fucked up paddle na yun kung naglalaro ka lang with your friends. Pero like
Casual
let's say
lang,
tournaments or yung mga rank, yeah,
Pag
you can't use
pwede,
that shit.
pwede lang sa commander, hindi siya pwede sa ano. Pag commander,
Bawal
pwede.
siya. Pwede tayo mag-proxy pero bawal tayo mag-proxy sa tournament. Oh, ganun lang.
Yeah. Kasi I was thinking na what if like yung paddle ng mga fraternities yun yung pang pickleball mo, bro. Kasi may wide. What if there's like a long boy paddle, bro? Parang
Gago, gusto ko nga i-try. Alam mo yung pang fly
cricket.
swatter?
Yeah.
Alam mo yung fly swatter na ano?
Yeah, man.
Yung tennis, ng racket. Ganun pang pickleball. I wanna try that shit. Nawala nga lang sa akin.
All right, so look at these guys, Chris. Look at these guys. Like, see how much they yap
look at
about
him, look at
pickleball,
him.
bro. Like, this is probably
He's
the first
addicted,
time I've heard them yap so much in this podcast, bro.
Whoa!
Basta pickleball.
Wala ka
talaga.
kasi last week eh.
Yeah, I know, right? So like, okay.
last week.
Ito guys, this is the kicker. So these guys
What's the kicker?
actually participated on a creator fucking tournament. Okay? So, pickleball tournament
Yes!
with your fellow
Editor,
content
pakita mo.
creators.
Yan.
Pakita mo, photos sila.
Creator
Ayan.
bro, something.
And guess what, guys? You guys won, right? Nanalo kayo, di ba? Kasi,
Yes!
Kasi, di ba? Addict kayo, di ba? Puta kayo, di na nga kayo, di na nga kayo nag-record ng PR episodes kasi addict na kayo sa pickleball. So, obviously, you guys won, right?
Yes,
we
right?
won.
Yes,
Pang
yes.
ilan? Pang
Won,
ilan
won.
kayo? What did you guys win? What did you guys
Ano
win?
kami? Fourth.
Fourth place.
Nah, fourth. Nah,
Fourth
you
out
joking,
of
bro.
like
You're
5.
probably second or first, bro. You guys were champions, tama?
No, kailangan kasi maging humble eh.
Fourth place
Oh.
lang, fourth place lang.
So, fourth place. That's the honest to goodness na nakuha nyo.
Yeah, fourth place.
Humble. Kailan naging humble si Neil?
Why?
Fourth,
Fourth place nga.
So, sino yung first?
Iba eh, creator,
some guy.
di ko kilala eh. Oo.
Some guy.
Creator
some
ba
guy.
talaga?
Guy.
Putang na. Yung...
No, pero hindi creator, personality. Iba-iba
Creator,
kasi
putang na.
personalities.
Artista yun.
Creator.
Pagkakala mo, artista
Sino?
yun eh.
Sino?
Hindi,
Sino?
sila yung nag-first. Sila, may nakalabang may artista yung magkuya. Sila Raver and sila...
The River.
Oh,
Rod
the River
Jun.
Cruz.
Sana, idol ko
Okay.
na. Bata ako.
Pang
eh.
ilan
Yung mga
sila?
cover sa notebook.
Pang bronze sila. Pang third sila.
They third,
Sila.
bro.
So, who's second? Who's second?
Sila mga singer eh. Mga singer ng Lily, singer ng... Hindi ko alam isa.
Lily.
Katya
Yeah.
Lily? Nag-pickleball.
No, Lily. Band. Lily band. Lily.
I don't know.
Katya Lily? Ali just a Lily band? Sino yung
Basta
first?
yan,
Oh
basta
my, I
yan.
wanna know. Pang ilan si Eruption?
First, di ko Si Eruption. Nag-podium din sila. I think silver or
Wow.
Yung ating
bronze.
silver, yeah.
Oo.
Ang dami
Mix
namang
yun,
second
mix.
place eyeball. Ano ba yan?
Iba-iba kasi yun. Per bracket kasi
Iba-iba
yun.
yung bracket.
So,
Oo.
sa bracket nyo, sino yung nag-first?
Hindi namin kilala eh.
Damn. Hindi rin na kayo
ata or
kilala. Okay.
Artista ata or ewan
May picture
ko.
ka? Baka makilala ko.
Ala eh. Di ko kilala. Ba't ko pipicturean?
Damn,
Ano,
fourth place.
tanga na
Okay,
naman.
fourth place out of...
4.
You fucking dickhead.
Ano, context? Ano context na yan? Ano context? Sige nga.
Context, okay. Sumali kami doon. Sabi namin, uy, first time per tournament. Tara, sali tayo beginner. So, nag-chat ako. Ayan, sige po. Ayan, naghanap ako. Okay. Nagkagulo pa nga kasi hindi ko mahanap yung QR code. Tapos sabi, ayun, sige, manual po na ilalagay na namin kayo. Pagdating namin doon, ay pagkakita ko ng post, putang na, low intermediate. Alam mo, ilang level yung in-skip namin? 2.
It's not that
Beginner
bad.
sa novice.
It's not that bad.
Ano it's not that bad?
It's not
Pukay
that
na.
bad. It's not that bad.
What
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean? So, like, ano ba dapat level nyo? Like, okay, in terms of League of Legends, okay? So,
Ano
bronze
dyan?
dapat
League
kayo.
of Legends.
Bronze kayo. Tapos, yung mga kalaro, yung sinalihan yung tournament is for...
So parang ang nakalagay kasi dito is you can self-rating yourself or meron kang rank na which is yung rating, yung duper.
Okay.
So beginner are either 6 months below pa lang naglalaro. You know, they're actual beginners, and then novice is like a year
Who
below
fucking decides
naglalaro.
that shit, man? Like, what if like pro tennis player ako si Alexa tapos nagkakasimula ko lang mag-pickleball so I'm paired in
Eh di,
the...
you're
Siyempre,
skipping kasi
oh,
meron
you're
kang
skipping.
racket, may background ka sa racket
Oo.
sports. May sobrang lamang legit pag tennis ka or galing ka sa kung saan man.
Badminton, ganyan.
Sobrang, yeah. Kung may
Table
racket
tennis.
sports ka before. Legit, like, you actually see the difference of players kung galing sila sa table tennis, tennis, tsaka badminton. Badminton players, sobrang lakas nila yung mag-overhead.
Race.
Yung pag tumaas yung bola, they...
Pang.
Gusto mo na lang umilag kasi baka tamaan ka sa mata and then matanggal yung mata mo. Alam mo yun? And then...
Table tennis.
table
yung
tennis,
hawak,
ang...
ganyan, no?
Oo.
Yung hawak.
Putang ina nga.
Tas ano
Kilala
na,
mo kung
saan
saan
na nila
sila
mag-
nag-smurf eh. Putang ina nga.
Oh, legit, tangin na nakaka-waste. Like, what the fuck? How do you counter this motherfucker, bro? Alam mo yun, like...
Tapos lahat ng nila may spin eh. Lahat ng
Oo.
drive nila.
Lumulutang naman pag table tennis, and then pag tennis, ina. Yung ano nila, yung
drive,
palo
putang
nila.
ina po.
Oo. Ang ganda ng form nila, legit. Ang ganda ng drive nila.
Tapos
Konting adjustment lang.
Umi-ire sila kada tira. Ano,
Like,
ganun sila?
Oo.
Hindi.
Or either they do that or they moan.
Gumagano sila?
Like, I'm like,
Damn. So other players don't do that shit. They don't do that. Hindi yan norm sa...
They don't.
Damn. Okay, that's crazy. Alright. Tapos...
So ayun, like ayun, novice are like below a year. Like let's say pickleball lang talaga laro mo, and then yung sinalihan namin, low intermediate is like over a year of playing the game.
Damn, okay.
So I'm just saying, okay?
Tapos, so, wait,
Mga
okay,
nakalaban
so,
namin, ano?
kalaban nyo is, so, okay, bracket na lang.
Nakalaro pala. Bakit naman pagkalaban para namang nagpapatayan kami doon, you know?
Hindi, tama,
Kalaro,
tama.
kalaro
Papatay kayo eh. May pickleball is life, diba? So, bracket, ano kayo? Bracket, sabihin natin,
Low intermediate,
bracket 5 kayo, tapos yung kalaban nyo is bracket,
Siguro bracket ano yun? Bracket 4, ganun.
sorry, bracket 1
Yeah, sila.
kayo, tapos bracket 4 sila.
Yeah, bracket 3, bracket 4.
What the
Oh, bro,
fuck?
mga ganun.
Yeah.
Imagine Chris, tangina, mga content creator din tong mga kasama natin dito sa PR, di ba, Chris?
May coach pa nga sila eh.
Content creator din naman sila,
Mga legit.
diba? Parehas lang naman kayo mga addict sa pickleball. Putang ina, how come you guys fucking lost?
Gago, they
Spectacularly,
literally
bro.
had their coach sa likod nila. Like, ganito gawin nyo. Ganito, ganyan gawin mo.
Eh, how much of a fucking
Kami.
skill issue or skill gap did you guys have? Like, ano ba ginagawa? Nag-backflip ba sila? Ano ba? What did they
di mo
what
kasi
did they do
masasabi.
that you guys could not?
Ito rin problema ako. Siguro ako,
yeah.
aminin ko, first time ko ulit sumali sa tournament. So, may daga sa dibdib ko. Kaya hindi ko nalaro yung laro ko talaga. Okay? Yeah, as in, tang na kami ni Jan. Like, tangina. Alam mo, pagkadating namin doon, 2 minutes, default na agad kami. So, nagbihis agad kami ng sapatos.
legit.
Ano, kasi, saktong 2 kami dumating. Tapos, yun, naglaro
It was
agad
2 hours
kami.
trip.
Yeah, 2 hours trip. Paglalaro namin, puta, wala pang warm-up. Muntikan pa akong maano yung calves ko. Naramdaman ko, muntikan ng magana yan. Humiwalay. Oo. Puta yun na, kasi wala pang warm-up eh.
Okay.
Tapos, as in,
All here
wala,
6.
hindi ko na ano. Hindi ko na ano yung laro ko talaga. Pero magaling rin talaga. Inaamin ko, sabi ko, dahil pa akong kakainin molak eh. Pero experience, experience.
No. Okay, wait. Hold on. Like, I just wanna... Kasi wala akong makitang video. I can't imagine. I've never watched a pickleball game ever. So, like, in terms of skill set, ano ba yung meron sa kanila na... Okay, may coach sila. So, what does that do? Ano bang ginagawa nila? Like, mas mabilis ba sila? Mas malakas ba yung palo nila? Like, what could
Sabihin
they do that you guys
natin,
could not?
Mas consistent, less force error, mga ganyan.
Ano ba yung errors
Kasi,
nila?
they got more
force error,
playtime,
nanenet, ganyan. Tapos, napapop. So, ibig sabihin, pag napop mo, smash na agad nila. Tapos, na-out. Yun.
They just got more playtime. Bro.
Yeah, oo.
You know, like, you know how imagine your first time fishing and then you fishing now.
Yeah, ganun.
You can literally see the difference. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Can you not see the difference?
No,
Sa tingin mo, ah?
the thing is, like, you can literally reach my level of fishing in just 1 month time. You know? Kayo, you've been playing, like...
Nah, bro, no.
You've been playing like for like half a year already, dude. Like, come on, bro. What the fuck's going on?
Hindi 1
Okay,
month
sana
sa'yo.
kung everyday naglalaro eh,
Oo.
pero
Ilan lang beses kami naglalaro.
Boy!
sa isang
I don't
month,
feel that, bro.
sa isang,
Oo.
I think sa isang month, equivalent lang of a week of someone's playing pickleball. Alam mo, if they decided to play
what you're telling me is like yung pag-addict nyo ngayon, hindi pa yan pag-addict in terms of like
Hindi
others who
pa, hindi
are
pa,
really
hindi pa,
addicted,
no.
bro.
I mean,
No.
this is just casual pag-addict.
Yeah,
You know,
oo.
hindi siya pang tournament level.
Wow.
Legit. Those people, they legit play
Yeah.
every day, bro. It's like,
Kung halos
instead of
everyday
going to the
ganyan.
gym,
Yeah.
they just do pickleball. Alam mo yun? Alam mo yung mga nagdi-daily nagdi-gym, they
Damn,
just
bro.
do pickleball instead.
Tapos
So-
may nagko-coaching sila, nagdi-drill sila. You know.
Yeah.
Eh kung ganun pala, di mag-quit na kayo, magtika, wala kayong pag-asa dyan.
Oh, lol! Sumali na nga agad kami sa tournament eh. Pagkatapos nga nun, sumali agad kami sa tournament eruption eh. Puta kayo na. Hindi, sabi ni
Natawa ako
Razi,
sa-
nung sinabi ko sa kanya, sabi niya,
ano?
sakto lang yun kasi experience naman talaga yung habol. The more experience,
pumunta
the
kami.
more hindi kakabahan.
Pumunta kami sa Cavite para durugin lang ni Razi.
Oo.
Tumali
Pero
ba si
doon,
Rally
nalaro
doon
na,
sa
nilaro
ano?
natin, di ba? Oo, nag-silver sila.
Nag-silver si Razi. Yan ang ano.
Ah,
I don't see Razi playing every fucking day either,
I'm not
bro.
gonna lie.
Bro,
I'm
he's a
reveal
fucking
something,
tennis
ah.
player, bro.
Naglaro kami doon, di ba? Di ba si Razi legit plays tennis?
Yeah, he does.
Tangina, sabi ni Razi, laro muna kayo with my mommy, ganun.
Oh my
Tangina,
God.
naglaro kami bama niya. Tinurog kami.
Durog kami.
Wala kami score, legit.
Durog
bullshit, bro.
kami.
It was crazy shit.
Legit! So, doon namin nalaman na yung pickleball is not about the fucking power, it's about placement, man. Ang galing ni tita. Piniplace sila sa gilid.
Yeah. Nakalaro din namin si Nikos, gaga.
Si Nikos nandun din.
Yeah.
You guys got fucked.
That's the first
by
time I met that guy, bro.
mom, damn,
I
that's
think.
crazy.
No.
Tapos alam mo,
Ano na
Gian, sino coach ni Razi?
Oh, sino ang coach na Razi?
Papa niya.
So, nanun pa
Alam,
sa, ano,
ito
nasa...
pa, pili ko, di mo alam to.
Oh, ano.
Alam mo, ilan pang rank kuya niya dito sa Pinas nung nagte-tennis pa?
Oh, ano. I don't know that.
Rank 7 sa Pinas, pre.
Damn,
Tangina, boy.
tennis.
Oh. Tennis, tol. Tapos nanalo sila ni Razi sa Australia ng gold sa pickleball.
champion.
Damn! Holy shit.
Iba.
So he was
Iba
just
ang
playing with us,
bloodline, pre.
So who the fuck beat Razi, bro? Holy shit nung sa sa creator thing, no?
Ano lang ata, nung nakita ko sa story niya na sobrang grabe lang daw yung cramps ng kasama niya.
Damn, puta kasalanan pala nakasama ni Razi. Ano ba
Hindi
yan?
naman kasalanan, pero
Ano yan?
alam mo
Parang
yun.
Hindi mo
Ay,
get
Ano.
cramps. Ganun daw, how does that happen, yung cramps?
I mean, hindi ka
Pag dehydrated ka na.
Kukulang ka
Oo.
sa vitamin
fuck.
K
So, laging
or
dehydrated
like,
si Razi.
you just didn't fucking limber up properly.
Oo, ako,
you know?
kasi
Sometimes
Razi
just do be
may
like,
inaano na
napagod
daw.
lang ng todo yung yung...
Ako, every morning, gigising ako sa umaga, mag-i-stretch, butang na, magka-cramps ako.
Gagi.
Like legit, sinasa, like legit, every morning. Oh shit, talaga yun. Gigising yung girlfriend
Gagi,
ko
mas malala yung
Hindi mo ba,
Gigising yung girlfriend
Malala
ko
yung
para-
nagising ka dahil
Oh
doon.
yeah, that happened. Yeah, that happened.
Ay, that's fucked.
Dude, that sucks. Problema na yan, gago ka.
I was like, oh shit, talaga
Gotta
yun.
do something, bro.
Tapos yung kita, tayo na mabilis. Ihilayan nyo nga para mawala yung kisig eh.
Dude, that's crazy.
Hindi mo ba nararamdaman pag ano,
You need
pag-
to fix that shit.
Oh,
Hindi mo nararamdaman pag parating na?
Nararamdaman mo pag parating na. Kaya ang ginagawa ko pag nararamdaman ko, I'm not gonna move. I'm gonna move. I'm gonna get a sip of water.
No, parang, di ba, you're stretching, di ba? And then you're like, oh shit, oh fuck, I'm at my limit. Kasi if you like go over the limit, you're gonna get
Oh yeah,
cramps.
that happened.
Tapos
that happened.
parang babalik ka na,
Yung
oh
parang
shit.
ano, parang
Kaya
hindi mo
ganun.
na rin mapigilan na, sabi ko, puta ka na, ito na, Isisigaw ko na lang sa sakit.
Damn, that's crazy shit.
Dude, that's a problem actually. Like if you have
Why is that a problem?
Dude,
Sige,
if you have cramps
explain.
every fucking morning, bro, that's fucked up, bro. There's something wrong
No,
with
pag
your...
nag-stretching ka lang, oh.
Hindi, ganun din. Like, you stretch... stretching okay lang kasi like probably na ano mo lang talaga, nabigla mo lang. That's why you don't do static stretches, okay? Ito yung misconception ng mga tao. People, before they do a workout or any activity, ang ginagawa nila, they're just stretching statically, okay? Yung parang, ganito lang. Yan, di ba? Nah, bro, you gotta do
Then what the fuck
dynamic,
should we
bro. Dynamic.
Oh, how do we do it, bro?
Kasi isipin mo, putang ina. Okay, ito lang
Kasi
This is
nagpipikal
the
ball
best-
kami, papalo kami. How
this is
do
the
we
best
do it?
imagination, okay, na dapat ino-imagine nyo bago kayo mag-stretch, okay? Isipin
Okay.
nyo, you're a fucking chicken na galing sa freezer, okay? You're frozen as fuck. Okay. Imagine na putang inang stretch mo yun. Ano mangyayari? Mapuputol, di ba? Like, all the fibers are just gonna get fucking snapped. So what you do is, you gotta slap that chicken 1,000 times para mag-thaw. So you gotta warm it up, okay?
No, man,
Kung ito yung
I'm just
ginagamit yung
dehydrated.
you just fucking, dynamic stretches. You gotta
No,
move. You gotta
no,
move your
man.
joints and everything para mag-warm up yun. Hindi yung puta bibiglain mo. Okay?
Hindi naman
Goddamn,
bigla.
bro.
It's just like yung regular na unat. It's just I'm dehydrated as fuck, man. Like,
No, that's the thing. Kaya you
tinitingnan ko
weren't
yung ano
doing
eh.
anything.
Tinitingnan ko yung yung
that's the problem.
lagayan ko ng
You shouldn't
tubig.
do it.
It's like a fucking Estus flask, man.
Deb, have you been like, inaano mo ba yan, Gian? Like, have you been
What?
working on that shit? Kasi napansin ko dati, nag-ano ka eh, you've been drinking the Pocari. Yeah.
Oh, what
Which
about
reminds me, I should...
Okay, Pocari is okay. You can literally turn that into your fucking daily water. Marami nga lang yung electrolytes, so you're probably gonna piss a lot more minerals, man. But that's fine. Okay. It's okay.
Hindi na ako
It's
pumayat.
okay.
Like,
Wag
you've
lang
had this sa
Gatorade.
ref dati,
Yeah.
You've had
Yan
this
yung
shit.
inumin. That's my
Then you
fucking
take
water,
a sip and
dude.
that's it. You literally just...
Yeah.
And then you fuck off.
And then fuck
Like, what
off,
the fuck
bro.
is this guy doing?
Electrolytes, innit?
I'm not gonna lie.
Nandiyan
Yan
na lahat.
rin ata dahil ako bakit ako pumayat eh. Yung putang na Pocari sweat na yan.
You just need that.
Ano?
It's
been drinking this
refreshing.
shit?
It's good. It's like you're drinking dextrose. So ang problema lang na if you diabetic ka, wag kang gaganyan. No?
Oh!
Too much minerals, bro. Too much minerals in there, but it's fine. But dude, like, it's not just dehydration, Chris. Like there's just something wrong, bro. Like hindi mo
Maybe you need to pickle ball, Chris.
hindi mo nagagamit ng maayos yung specific muscle group na yun madalas or like, in a
Damn! Alam mo
proper
saan mo
way, bro.
magagamit yan?
Shut the fuck up, man.
Putang ina.
Taka na, hinihingi ko
Fuck you
nga
guys,
yung
bro.
lumang bola na yan ni Khalil eh. Nakalimutan ko ng paalala nung Sabado.
All right, let's
Time to move forward.
No, I wanna find out kung sino yung pinakamalakas magtikol sa inyo ngayon, okay? So, apparently apat kayo, si Khalil, si Neil, ikaw. So, who's like
Di na nag-ano si
Hindi
Khalil.
na nagano si
Hindi
Khalil, nagbabasketball na.
Basketball.
Gago, he just literally flexed nung nakaraan. Sabi niya, mas magaling na ako mag-pickleball sa'yo. Naglalaro ako secretly, okay? Para pag naglaro tayo, dudurugin
Damn, bro. So, sino? Who's Who's better? Si Nash, si Neil, or si John? Like, honestly.
What about
who's
Ken,
the
man?
better
Siyempre,
tickler,
sasabihin ko
bro?
ako.
Ken doesn't tickle, bro.
Yan. Funny story kay Ken. He haven't tickled for like a million months, di ba? And then, inisponsoran siya ng ano? Inisponsoran
Oh,
siya
yeah,
ng
I saw
paddle.
that. I saw that.
And then he needed to make a video of the
Yeah,
paddle.
bro!
Uh-huh.
Tapos inaya namin siya and then andun na kami, di ba? We were like getting ready and shit kasi binigyan namin ng court.
Uh-huh.
And
Tapos nag-serve si
I was
Nash.
like, I looked away for like 10 seconds. Pagtingin ko, what the fuck? He was like down. He was like, he was dead, bro.
Si Ken?
Pagpasok niya sa court, yeah, he was dead.
Natipalok.
Nakabulagta siya dun sa gilid kasi nag-serve si Nash.
Hinabol niya.
Hinabol niya. Tapos napatikol siya, okay?
Napatikol, bro.
And then that's it. Di siya makalakad for 2 weeks,
Oh,
bro.
wow.
Tapos di niya na ginawa ng video.
Tapos yun na ginawa ng video. That's crazy shit. Which reminds me, pag sumama pa si Ken, papahiramin ko siya ng shoes. There's like a specific shoes for like, ano kasi?
Dude.
For like, yung court.
Ay, paldo yun. Si Idol Ken. Alam mo magkano yung sponsor na paddle sa kanya?
Magkano,
16K,
magkano?
boss.
16.
Ooh. Tapos hindi niya ginawa ng video. Putang. Gano'n kalakas si Eyeball Ken. Kikiina. Maghintay kayo.
Gagawa niya,
Maghintay
gagawa niya,
kayo, brand.
Gagawa niya.
See? This is why tickle ball is a mistake, guys.
Na,
Typically.
bro. Di kasi siya nag-exercise.
Yeah,
I feel like tickle ball was a mistake. You know?
It is a mistake, man. Like, we could have cured cancer by now if we didn't tickle ball, bro. You know what I mean, man? Like, come on, bro.
I wonder kung anong operasyon ng i-undergo ko this year kung hindi nag-tickle ball. Probably like another bato somewhere. You know?
Ay, pag baka nanonood, special shoutout po sa Paddle Oasis. I'll be love you so
Can
much.
we not?
Can we not?
No.
Yes.
Oh, special shoutout
you,
sa
Paddle
Paddle
Oasis.
Oasis.
Paddle Oasis.
Kasalanan
Yo,
nyo to.
what the hell?
Gago! Wow! You cannot say that shit! You cannot say that shit!
Salamat nyo to. Bakit ganito yung PR ngayon? Pinito ba ito, ha? Fuck you, ha? Taka nyo. Sino ba? Fuck you, Merlin. Fuck you. Ano pa yung Kawasaki? Taka na nyo. Lahat ng
Boss,
paddle
ay,
din.
ay,
Sigloko lang po yan, boss. Sigloko
Hindi.
lang yan, guys.
Sigla.
Tingnan nyo, ginawa nyo sa ano.
Sigloko lang yun.
Tingnan nyo, ginawa nyo sa grupong to. Sinira nyo.
Tawa. Okay, anyways, kung gusto nyo magpasira din ng buhay pag nasa Papanga kayo.
Si Mano
kung gusto
Dayo,
nyo maglaro
asan
ng
yung,
pickleball,
asan yung fishing rods ko at fishing reels ko? Asan?
please visit Paddle Oasis. May tatagpuan niya malapit sa Angeles. Di ko alam kung anong lugar yun.
Sa
Pero
friendship,
Angeles,
sa friendship. Sali na rin kayo sa reclub namin, Pickle Realm.
Thank you so much. Kay Sir Zach, kay Ma'am Sasha,
Kay Sir
mga
Aaron.
Mug and Magic players.
Yes.
Nakilala nila kami kasi, uy, nagpi-pickleball pala tong naglalaro sa Mug and Magic. Thank you so much. You know?
Shoutout sa mga
And they sponsored us for like libre mag-training doon. I love you.
Yes, we love you. Kahit top 4 kami.
Can you just not say
Wait.
top 4? There's nothing really top about that.
We last place, bro. Ito pa malala. May sinabi si John sa akin yesterday. Sabi daw niya,
Ano sabi?
ilang games yung linaro nyo?
5?
Like 5 games.
And out of those 5 games, ilan yung pinanalo nyo?
Ay!
One.
Isa!
Isa!
One.
Woo!
Boss, isa!
Isa! Ang galing nyo!
Tangina!
Bakit kayo nanalo?
Ate, hindi zero.
Ba't kayo nanalo?
Ba't yun yung mukha mo,
Neil,
Neil?
bakit kayo nanalo? Sabihin mo sa camera. Sabihin mo. Sabihin mo sa sponsors mo.
Pinagmayabang ko pa yun eh. Sabi ko kay Johnny Boy, Tol, congrats. Kasi paalis na kami. Tol, congrats. Sayang ka ako, 1-4 lang kami kanina. Hulaan mo ka ako kung ano yung 1 win namin. Sabi niya, default. Sabi niya.
Kay Johnny Boy, no? Pinawalaan niya kay Johnny Boy.
Default. Which means,
We won.
you won
won.
because...
Default
Kasi,
kalaban.
ba't na-default yung
Hindi
kalaban?
pumunta yung kalaban.
Hindi
Exactly.
pumunta. Kulang.
Hindi
Yeah.
pumunta.
Galing nyo guys. Congrats. I'm proud of you guys.
Yes. Tangin na.
Proud of you.
A win is a win,
Dapat
eh.
nilumpo natin lahat ng kalaban natin eh. Fuck, ginano natin, no? Para di nakapunta eh. Nanalo tayo.
A win
Imagine,
is a
bro.
win, man.
A win is a win.
A win is a win, ha?
A win is a win. I can see yung mukha nung guy na yun. It was like, I wanna play, bro. Wala team ko gago.
Ginawa lang pala kayong warm up ng mga top 3. Sino doon
lang
yung
yan,
para may kakilala ba kayo dun sa mga nakalaro nyo? Like dun sa bracket.
Ako,
nyo?
meron. Ka-basketball
Si-
ko.
Sa basketball
Si
mo.
Kuya Joshua. Yeah.
And he beat
Alam
you,
ko
bro.
lang,
Singer.
yung mga magkapatid eh. Si
Yes,
Raver.
Si Raver
Okay.
and ano.
Who was like, kasi puro mga artista creators, diba? Like, who was like, parang, damn, this guy actually plays? Ganun, napaganon kayo. Or parang hindi nyo in-expect na naglalaro pala siya.
Sila.
Wala.
Sila.
Sila
Dalawang
Raver?
artista na yun.
Dalawang artista. Yeah.
Fun fact, dude.
Shoutout pala.
Fucking Raver actually does fishing as well, man. Like, bro has caught.
Oh, yan,
like,
itropa
very
mo
big
na.
fish, man.
And this fucking good looking, bro. What the fuck, bro?
Artista eh!
Ano pa nila
Damn, bro.
Sabi ko nga
Damn,
po,
bro.
labanan pala to. Legit, pag sila kalaban namin, di ba? Lahat
Tangina,
ng
para
tao
kami
nanonood.
kontrabida, boy!
Lahat
Tangina!
nanonood. Sa kanila naka-cheer. Tangina, pag nakakascore sila.
Para kami naging kontrabida! Tangina!
Para kami kontrabida gaga.
Kada mali namin, sumisigaw eh. Woo! Kada tama ng ano, kada drive nila na pasok.
Ay, pala yung Argentina nung ano eh, nila eh. Yeah.
It was funny.
Tangina, kung
Like, what the fuck is happening,
kung
bro?
ako yun, hindi na ako maglalaro.
Nah, bro.
Ang inapinang...
Ang fucked up dun is nag-ano pa tayo nilo.
Nag-rematch.
Nag-rematch. So,
Nag-rematch pa.
dalawang beses naglaro. Oh, tangina.
Ginamit lang pala kayo pang ano eh, pang montage dun sa
legit.
episode po, tek.
Pero sa Instagram, andun kami gago. Dirurog lang kami, boss.
Legit.
Ako lang, nag-comment ako dun. Gago na, na-follow back ako.
Wow!
Sino?
Nag-comment ako dun, na-follow back ako, boss.
Sino?
Pre, nung magkapatid.
Damn.
Utik na yan.
Ano lang, pampalubag loob. Sabi, ay, bobo nito.
Bobo nito, paano
Sinagit
ka
na
na?
natin
Parang
to.
ano?
Talo ko lang. Tara, tumatawa. That was funny as shit, man.
Sino ba? Who else like
Man.
was like weird ass freaking artista or creator?
Like, di mo
like di mo
wala.
naisip na parang
I don't think I know like most of the people there. Ano kasi yun eh, it's like a full day event. Pumunta lang kami doon alas 2 and then umuwi kami ng mga around 4, 5, mga ganun. Pero it was like the event started at around 9 ata or 8. So like kung meron mang mga alam mo yun, creators or artista na naglaro sa simula.
Imagine mo kung may
probably
politiko
was
doon na
like
nagano, diba? Ay, ina.
There probably was, bro.
There's one guy dun sa pictures nyo na parang feeling ko like I was weirded out. Si Eruption gago.
Oh, bakit?
Imagine like a huge ass guy, bro. Ang lit-lit na
Oh, man.
yeah? Like, dude, what the fuck, man? Why is bro in a pickleball tournament, bro?
May something kasi sa tuhod eh.
Yeah. Ang
may
ano niya,
injured
ang
siya?
story niya doon. May funny interaction nga kami ni Jen. Pero wait lang, ang
Sinilang,
story niya
bobo,
doon is nagka-knee injury kasi siya.
Okay.
So, mas ayos, mas magaan yung larong pickleball of course.
Really? It's the
Kaysa
knees?
sa ibang ano, yeah, sa
You would
knees
think
niya.
like it would be so stressful kasi you're going side to side.
Hindi!
Parang
Hindi.
badminton.
I think that's just only you, man.
Oh, wow!
No,
Wow.
I agree,
Tapos
bro.
yun, masaya yung pickleball, competitive at the same time, ano, di ba? Community builds, you know. So, doon, yun.
versus
Na-love siya,
K-tennis,
na-love
bro.
siya.
Okay, that's
Tapos yun
nice.
nga, magpapa-birthday ano nga siya. Sa ako, sumali agad kami, birthday tournament.
Damn.
Sali agad kami doon,
Kailan
boss.
yan? Kailan yan?
Birthday yun, may pagkain ba doon ah?
Eh, sana nga. Pero walang cash prize doon. Talagang ano lang.
Like,
Laro
wala ba?
para,
For the fun.
wala.
That's cool.
What did we join, bro?
What are you playing for? What are you playing for then, huh?
The podium, bro! The podium!
Oh, what do you get? Like bragging rights lang.
Pang ano, pang clout.
Yeah, fuck yeah, bro!
clout
What the
lang.
fuck, man?
Pang clout lang.
Tang ina, 500 post ko agad yon pag na-podium kami, okay? Tatag kita, ha?
Six months later, gago, pinupost pa rin na nanalo kami dito.
Inang yan.
At ngayon na, dalawang kategory yung sinalian niya. Low intermediate, saka mixed doubles intermediate.
Okay.
Ang nangyari, nung paalis na kami nila dyan, ay, paalam lang
sige.
ako. Tapos nung nakita namin, paano dyan, ikaw may gano'n?
Nakita namin parang may himatay na siya gago kasi sobrang palong-palo yung game nila. Tayo na, tas alam mo yung he
Damn,
just wants to
okay.
be left alone. Kasi like he was like dying. I'm like, like sobrang hirap na niyang mabuka yung mata niya. His wife was like, tinututukan siya ng electric fan.
Pinupunasan.
Tapos may mga taong naghahatid ng tubig, naghahatid ng gummies just to get him feel better. And then si Neil out of fucking nowhere, nagpaalam na, boss, uwi na kami. Alam mo yung ganun? And he was like trying so hard to reply kay Neil and open his eyes and shit. And so I was like, mag-ano sana ako eh. Like, alam mo yun, I mean, papansinin ko sana siya. Tangina na, parang di ko na tinuloy kasi he looks like he was dying, man. Tangina na tayo ni Neil. He was like,
Talaga din, wala ka talaga, ano no? Hindi na talaga nito.
It was funny, bro.
Hindi ko naman
Yes,
alam.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Ah,
Pero
bro,
sobrang
we
bayad.
Ayun
don't
na.
know, bro. Of course,
Sabi pa niya,
no choice, bro.
sabi niya, bro, ano na bro, matanda na kasi bro. Gumagano na siya. Like,
Pagod na ako,
you know the
tanda ko
eyes,
na,
you know the
ganyan.
eyes. Di na niya mabuka. Kaya.
Mga ganun siya. Parang hihimatayin siya, sobrang init din.
Tapos si Neil out here, bro. He's trying to make a conversation with a guy that's
Tinanong ko
almost
yung tuhod,
dying,
eh.
bro.
bro. Wala ka talagang no.
Almost dead.
Di lang pala kami yung
Hindi ko naman
ginagago mo eh.
alam, okay. Magpapaalam lang ako, okay.
Lul. Buti pa kay Rap sa nagpapaalam siya, no, Chris?
Nga nga,
Puta tayo, pag
Tawa,
naglalaro
tawa.
tayo, alis na lang, tatain na lang. Hindi
Hindi,
natin kung saan pumunta.
nagpapaalam naman siya.
Kailangan bro.
Nung follower ka natin, paalam nga siya
Papara,
eh.
bibiling ko. Tapos na magano, tara
Bibiling kay follower.
game, fuck you!
Nag-error yung Gcash
Mama
nun.
mo, nag-error. Ay, sorry.
Wow!
Oh!
Wow!
Damn, bro, this guy.
Came from the soul, man.
Intrusive thoughts.
Ay, shit came from the soul, man.
Damn, bro.
Quite literally, bro.
Damn, bro. Damn. Damn, sana petikan yung betlog mo.
Damn, bro, that's
Hindi ko
crazy.
nasadya yun. Hindi ko nasadya yun.
Crazy, bro.
Sinadya mo yun,
Crazy,
bro.
I'm so angry right now, bro. I'm so angry right now.
Tickle ball, bro. Tickle ball na lang tayo.
The only tickle
How many
ball
minutes
did it.
has we been talking about tickle ball? What, for 50, almost an hour, man!
55 minutes because it was a mistake. Okay, if we were gonna fucking continue with this weekly podcast, we have to like address the elephant in the room, which is tickling, bro. Like, again, ang dami na nangyaring mga issues sa mundo, pero ito yung pinaka para sa akin. This is the one that actually
bruh.
fucked us up. Like, honestly, this fucked us up, bro. Like, rising gasoline prices. Anong connect niyan sa pag-record natin? Wala. Tickle ball, bro. No, that's...
Nah, bro. Mag-record na nga sana tayo last week ng
Ang alin?
podcast eh. Umalis ka for a week eh.
Yeah.
Oh?
Pag ikaw ayos, pag sa amin hindi.
Putang ina ngayon lang ako
Tama,
ng
wow!
podcast.
Tawa.
Wow,
Okay, if we're
galing!
gonna play that,
Galing!
if we're gonna play that game, ano nangyari sa PR Reacts nil?
Wow, galing! Tangina ko, ako magre-react
Ano,
doon.
ano,
Ayos na ayos. Tangina yung
Asan
mga
yung,
wala
asan
kayo
yung PR
eh.
Reacts? Asan yung PR Reacts?
Okay.
Asan
Ikaw
yung
pala yung
PR
wala
Reacts?
eh. Hindi pala si Dil eh.
Tangina ako, magre-react ako mag-isa. Sige.
Ba't di ka
Hindi,
mag-imbita?
puta,
Oh,
ba't di ka
kita
mag-imbita? Hindi ka kasi nag-imbita.
Putik na yan.
Wala kami nakita ni isang imbita ng PR Reacts. For the past, like, hyperbaric time chamber week, bro. See this? Si asan kayo? Nagtitikol kayo.
Okay. Magre-react tayo after na to
What else did we fucking miss? Okay, what else did we fucking miss nung for the past weeks, huh?
Damn, bro. Past weeks.
weeks,
Crazy
wala.
shit. Wala naman.
Ano ba?
Wala si Ken may sakit, no? Nasabi mo na kanina.
Ken is like, I don't know what's going on with Ken. But guys,
Pag lumalabas yung kwarto, ewan ko.
do not be a Ken. Okay, ito lang masasabi ko. Okay, do not be a Ken. In terms of like, bro is like, hindi siya na ng tickle ball, but the only thing that fucks him up is his health. Something's going on.
Kasi di siya nagtitikil ball.
Kasi hindi siya nagtitikle ball, exactly.
Yeah, exactly,
Bro is like
bro.
sick every fucking week. I don't know what's
Tangina,
going
I
on
don't
with
know
him, bro.
why.
Ngayon may
He
tonsillitis
literally
na
only
naman
goes
siya.
out, bro.
Ay,
To buy
kaya-
food and cook the food and shit and nothing else, bro.
Bro is like fucking himself up with the food he eats too, bro. Like nagka-tonsillitis siya. Ano sabi daw kasi dahil sa
Mahilig siya sa...
mahilig siya. Hindi, nag-acid reflux daw
maasim.
siya kasi siya every fucking day. And I'm like, okay.
Mahilig siya sa maasim.
There's
sabi
one way
niya.
to like reverse acid reflux or like parang to manage it. It's diet. Do not eat oily foods. Do not sleep. Nakakakain lang. And also, do not eat late. You know, like yung oras ng pagkain. Kasi Ken, I think, puta kumakain ng super late eh.
Hindi, sobrang random lang din ng body clock. You know,
Body
there
clock.
is no actual sleep time. Alam mo, yun, there's
Yeah.
no actual eating time.
That's crazy, bro.
Well, good thing nga na-reclaim ko na yung oras na tutulog ako sa gabi.
Nice, man. It's nice,
Good for
man.
you, bro. That's like something I hear every week until masisira ulit and then then the next week, bro. Like there is no consistency. Ano ba? People are probably gonna ask like, napanood niyo na ba yung Odyssey? Anyone else here watch the Odyssey?
No.
Ako,
I haven't had the time.
Next month pa ako manonood ng Odyssey on 70mm IMAX.
Ano?
Spider-Man,
40 plus.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man is like Screen X, di ba?
Yeah, but I watch it on
Chris,
the 2D.
give us your thoughts about Spider-Man without spoiling.
It's a fun watch.
Fun watch.
Like the only people who's like telling that it's bad is like people who's like expecting like other heroes to like show up there, but they never show, so they were kind of disappointed. Other than that, it was a fun watch. You would know. You would connect. You would connect to Spider-Man.
Okay, spoil us one here, one super expected person na dapat magpapakita doon sa ano. Just one. Mute your fucking things right now, okay? Viewers, kung ayaw nyo ma-spoil kayo. In 3, 2, 1.
Jean Grey.
Hindi nagpakita.
Yo, what the fuck? Putang ina nyo!
Wait, hindi nagpakita, Chris? Hindi nagpakita?
Ah, hindi
I already
nagpakita.
warned. I gave him a 3 second head start and fucking guy.
Kala ko hindi nagpakita. Nagpakita yun eh.
Nagpakita ba? Okay. Nagpakita. Yung hindi nagpakita na in-expect Deadpool. Hindi nagpakita si Deadpool.
Hindi nagpakita si Dead.
I think he was fucked.
Si Jean Grey, si Phoenix.
Oo.
Yeah.
Who else is Jean Grey?
I mean, it was already,
I mean, it's already,
it
it was already spoiled.
Yeah.
But
Sa
parang
ano pa lang, sa
speculation
simula
lang.
pa lang.
Parang naging speculation ng what
ngayon,
is
sure
Sadie
na.
Grey's role there. Pero sure na. Ngayon na you heard of it.
Sadie Grey. Sadie
Sadie Sink pala, sorry.
Sadie Grey.
Sadie Grey.
Ano nga, like, parang ina-expect na hopefully daw, si MJ? Huh?
No. Yeah. No. Parang variant name
Si Gwen?
Monsoon or something. Kasi
Mary Jane.
red yung hair.
Ah,
but
what
they
the
kinda
fuck?
assume- They kinda assume that it was Jean Grey.
People
They
hope
were just
na yun na lang,
assuming
hindi,
magiging variant
hindi
siya.
da,
That's fucked up. Even in
Never
comics,
mind.
I've never heard Jean Grey being a fucking MJ variant.
But she's not a Jean. She's a character of his
No,
own.
hindi nga siya Jean Grey. Hindi,
Oh,
hindi
nga.
siya Jean Grey.
I'm just saying, like, why would people even fucking speculate that in the first place? Okay, so Spider-Man, give it a rating, Chris.
I give
For
it
your own,
a 9 out of 10.
out of 10.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Wow, that's pretty high.
Chris, sagutin mo to. Andun pa si Tobey Maguire.
Wala, but I think he got mentioned over there. Like, oh yeah, Peter too has this thing.
Okay.
Kasi
he shoots webs out of his fucking
Yeah, but
ass.
because nakita niyo naman din sa trailer, she's fucking Peter Parker's
Nag-mutate siya.
yung kanyang arachnid
Mutating.
So,
DNA
nagiging,
is going
ano na
up.
siya, so,
He's becoming
nagiging
a man spider.
na siya. Man spider.
Nagagamboy na siya, pre.
Okay, let's talk about on the topic of Marvel. You guys have watched the Doomsday trailers, right? Ako hindi ko pa napapanood in
Ako
entirety, but do you guys have any thoughts about it? Like Doomsday, like the new Avengers. Hindi ko pa napapanood, by the way.
What new
the fucking
Avengers?
New Avengers.
Thunderbolts?
Thunderbolts, yes.
Yeah. Dati pa yun. Napag-usapan na natin to eh. Thunderbolts?
No. I mean, like, no. In this fucking new upcoming movie, like, anong tatingin nyo ang mangyayari? What are your thoughts about it? Do you like the cast? Like, fucking X-Men is there. We saw Cyclops doing his optic fucking blast, which is not a heat blast, by the way. It's actually a punch from the punch dimension. Another discussion for another day.
You fucking
So,
nerd.
ano yan? Like, what's gonna happen, man? Like, why is people are probably asking, why is Doom so fucking powerful, bro? Why did he two-finger
bro.
Thor's fucking cleaver, man?
Well, Dr.
Kasi
Doom
he has the power,
always
eh.
been powerful. Eh. The only reason why kaya di masyadong tinitake serious si Dr. Doom is because of the presentation that he has for the past few movies.
Yeah.
But Dr. Doom is very powerful. If he wants to destroy the world, he could just do it without doing any effort. He just doesn't want to
Ba't
because
tinalo ng Fantastic
Bakit
Four?
ano ba
Pala yun eh.
kapangyarihan niya?
Ang fucked up na wala masyadong build-up for him,
no,
no?
wala nga. Pero
Wait,
Ano ba kapangyarihan
Dr.
niya?
Doom wasn't in the Fantastic Four na
he
Galactus.
was in the
Wala siya dun, yung reason.
post-credit scene. He was
So,
but,
what was he doing?
Kasama yung anak nila.
yung anak nila. Paano kasi yung anak nila ni Mr. Fantastic at saka ni Sue?
Oo.
It's a
Kaso,
godly
may
level amount of
speculation
powers
na
that kid
pag
has.
pinanood mo ulit yun, it's not his mask. It's one of the witches, man.
I don't understand Dr. Doom din, by the way. Like, I'm not gonna LARP Dr. Doom.
Ano ba
What is
kapangyarihan
his,
niya?
what is his origin? Saan galing yung powers niya?
Di ba kasama siya doon sa expedition ng Fantastic Four?
What?
So
that's where the Fantastic Four got their powers?
Yeah.
Oh, where did they get their
Kasama ba
powers? I
sila?
never fucking... ako, di ko alam. Di ko na nakalimutan ko na yung origins ng Fantastic Four din eh.
I thought Dr. Doom just had like yung mga mystical power.
Yeah, what is his power? What
Like
is
with
Dr.
runes
Doom's
and shit.
power besides
You know
fucking
how-
doing
you
a
know
foot
how,
dive?
ano?
Foot dive.
You know how like meron siya, may mga ano dun, like yung sila Scarlet Witch, may mga power sila.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like mga ganun. May mga ganong power sa MCU eh. Yung parang
just mystical fucking
witchcraft and shit.
power, yeah.
So,
Yeah.
ito,
I don't know
yung
what kind of
power
power.
ni, power ni Dr. Doom daw, hindi siya mutant, hindi siya cosmic powers, ano siya.
Yeah.
Super talino niya lang.
Okay.
Tas galing siya
Tapos
sa Latvia,
advanced
so-
powered armor and mastery of mystic arts. Wait, what the fuck?
So he's like a better...
Pinagsama
he's like
science
a
and sorcery.
Sika smart Doctor Strange. No?
better Doctor Strange.
Parang pa nagsama si
Better
Iron Man saka si Doctor Strange, ganun.
This is from people na hindi alam yung story niya madal. Masyado.
Damn.
He's like a powerful and smarter Doctor Strange.
Yeah, I didn't know that, bro. Tayo sa Marvel
Sabi,
versus
Mystic
Capcom
Arts
kasi
eh.
foot dive lang siya ng foot dive eh. Putang ina. He barely uses his fucking mystical powers, man. That's crazy. May nakita akong comic panel.
Parang
where
Thanos
he
level
just-
ba siya?
No, he rips out fucking Thanos' fucking spine on
The fuck?
sa isang comic panel. Like, he's stronger than Thanos at some point.
I told you,
don't know
man.
kung
If he
saan
wants to
panel yun.
destroy the world, he would have. He just doesn't want to. But he has other plans.
So na-nerf lang talaga siya nung mga unang Fantastic Four.
Yeah. Kaya medyo hindi, we're not
Oh.
taking him seriously. But right now, Doomsday is arriving. And for some reason, ano siya? It's gonna be Iron Man variant, Doctor Doom. But we don't know that yet. It's still a speculation.
Wait, di ba may... Di ba na-cancel yung Kang?
Yeah, Kang.
Di ba
Yeah,
na-cancel yun?
because
Oo,
What-
sayang
was
Kang
like
Dynasty,
secret-
no?
Was Secret Wars under Kang or was it a Doom thing?
no, it was originally a Kang thing, yung Secret Wars na yun. Kasi it was supposed to be a multi-dimensional
Battle
war.
World. Oh, alam mo ito.
It was supposed to
Battle
be a-
Worlds pala yung
a
ano,
multiversal
yung
war.
Doom thing.
Yeah, it was supposed to be a multiversal war. But yeah, the actors acting as Kang got
Yeah, Battle World nga. Battle World
what you call
Saga.
this?
For like Doom.
Falsely accused of like domestic abuse. Kaya it is fucking DC dropped him. And
Sayang
then
no,
they have
ang
to-
galing pala naman
yeah,
niya pa
I
as
like
Kang,
as
no?
Kang. I like, especially if you watch the Loki seasons, you would like the story na binild up nila for
napanood diba? Napanood diba Loki?
No.
Fuck
Oh
you!
shit, yeah,
The
bro.
best fucking MCU series,
Yeah,
bro!
Yeah, bro. TBA, bro. TBA.
What's the shit yun?
Yeah, like talking about that din kasi nakita ko rin sa trailer, 'di ba, nandun si Loki and he has like that TVA shit. So this is gonna tie
Watch it
up
here, please.
Doomsday. Ay, is Doomsday a thing sa comics? Like is it like something na parang yung Avengers Civil War tapos yung nangyari kay
I think it's just in the introduction of Doom.
They make it
In
sound
the
like Doom is
incursions.
like the worst fucking thing about to happen.
It is the worst
It
fucking
is.
thing. Incursion is the worst fucking thing.
What does he wanna do? Like ano bang gusto
That
ni
I
Doom?
do not know. That I do not know.
Wala, di pa labas yung movie pero there are, speculations, bro.
Damn.
Like maybe in the first half, they're working together kasi incursions are fucked up.
What is incursion?
Like alam mo yung...
Incursion is between
You
the
never
two
watch any
universe.
MCU movie, you...
Panoorin mo yan. Panoorin mo yung
timeline.
yung bago Doctor Strange.
Yung
I think you
timeline.
would understand incursions. Pero ang daming
okay.
ang daming factors of like how is the multiverse going to collapse, but Loki is the god of time or
Siya
god
yung
of
yeah.
multiverse, parang ganun.
Kind of stories
God
or
of
something.
stories.
Yeah.
Making
Pinaka-simple
it-
lang, Gloco. Dalawang Earth. Boom. Okay yun. Incursion.
Nagbangga. Yung
Magbabanggaan yung
universe
dalawang
nila.
This is
Yeah.
different from what
Dalawang
happened dun
universe.
kay di ba? Yung sa Deadpool, yung pauta may anchor being and shit. Hindi, iba to. This is a different thing. This is a different phenomenon.
Yeah, it's
Tama
a different phenomenon.
Para ba? Oh, okay.
Kasi yung ginagawa dun
alright.
sa Deadpool, it's yung parang yung TVA na it's like a rogue branch na they're destroying timeline branches na di dapat naman talaga ginagawa in the first place. Nung nabuo nga ni Loki yung parang multiversal shit, parang nag-iba yung doctrine din ng TVA. Yung kalaban dun sa Deadpool, they still stick to the old ways of like pruning timelines, kaya
Yeah, pruning.
yun yung nangyari.
Okay.
Pruning.
So basically, this thing is like even itong gagawin ni Doom, even the TVA is gonna get involved kasi whoa, this is fucked up, bro. Like this cannot happen type shit.
Probably kasi
I think
Yeah.
it's like everyone's there. Like Loki's there, fucking the X-Men's are there. Like
Gagawin doon si Red ano yun?
sino pa? The
Yung
fucking
Red
Thunderbolts
something
are
na guy.
there.
si Gambit nandun
Fantastic
din. Oh,
Four
I'm
is
kind of surprised the
there.
Gambit was there.
Gambit, si Shang-Chi ba?
Finally,
Shang-Chi,
yeah.
yeah,
Finally, bro.
Shang-Chi.
Shang-Chi's fucking
Shang-Chi.
Sino
Totally
yung
there.
yung Red Man? Yung pula?
Red man.
Yung may balbas.
Red Man yung pula.
Si Red Star ba? Red Star?
Hindi, si ano
Red
yun?
Skull?
Hindi.
No, it's not Red Skull.
Ang pangalan nun, si Red Guardian.
Nakapajama nga na. Red Guardian.
No, I didn't see. Nakita niyo ba si Doctor Strange doon? Kasi I was.
I haven't
Wala,
seen
wala.
that.
Maybe he's the only guy who could
other
like
incursion,
fucking,
bro.
Yeah, he's trying to fight an incursion on his own.
Sa Multiple of Madness kasi, merong ano doon, may posting doon na sinundo siya nung powerful ano
Anak
rin
ni
eh.
ano yun? Anak ni Dormammu.
Dormado ba?
Dormammu.
Dormammu.
Dormammu, yes. Queen of
May speculation
basta.
ngayon na isa daw yun sa witch.
nag third eye siya, diba?
Isa daw yun sa witch ni
Yeah.
ni Doom.
Okay.
Ano? Ni Doom?
Isa daw yun sa witch ni Doom.
Yung anak ni Dormammu?
Yeah.
What are the witches?
Ano kasi may convention sila recently, 'di ba? Somewhere in the US I think. And then may witch doon na iniiba-iba nila ng robe. And then there's like red, green, purple. So if you think about it, red could be the Scarlet Witch kasi she can travel multiverse,
Tapos
alam mo
may
yun.
violet.
Then yung violet siya and then may green, may alam mo yun.
Wow.
So he has witches.
He has bitches, bro. Damn.
He has a
okay,
bitches that has
Dr. Doom.
multiversal stuff.
I think the only...
Pero yeah, feeling ko wala si ano doon, wala si Doctor Strange. doon.
feeling ko talaga malalaman natin yung para magiging plot ng Doomsday if lumabas yung mga other Marvel projects. But right now, yung talagang iniintay talaga is Doomsday. And we still don't know what's gonna be the story of this.
Damn.
Nandun na nga rin yung, nandun na nga rin yung death flag niya ni Thor eh.
Oh shit.
You know what's crazy? Loki did all this one.
Yeah.
So it's all Loki's fault, bro. Damn.
Yeah.
That's
Kasi
crazy,
dati,
bro.
ang story kasi nun dati is like isa lang yung timeline, which is what we were watching this whole time. It was like Rick and Morty, you know? Alam mo yung the infinite finite curve.
Yes, yes,
Diba?
yes.
Sinira ni Evil Morty. That's what Loki did, bro.
Tinira niya yung ano,
Like
linagay niya
Rick and
dun sa,
Morty reference.
machine na yun.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So ngayon hindi na si Rick ang pinakamatalino dun sa universe.
God damn.
So may iba ng mga nakakapasok. It's nice.
So-
It's exciting, you know, kung paano nila it's kind of fuck. Incursion is kind of fuck.
And out of all
You
the...
have to kill yung iba para ma-save yung sarili mo.
What?
Type
What
shit.
do you mean makill yung iba?
Yeah.
Yung ibang versions mo?
That's literally it.
Whoa.
Marvel Rivals! Let's go!
That is. Oo nga, gago. Feeling ko ganun nga. Damn. Holy shit, that's crazy. And ano
Kaya nga
natitira
parang
na lang
sobrang
sa...
taas ng stakes eh.
Ang natitira na lang sa OG Avengers, no? Si Thor.
Si Thor, yeah.
Si Thor. Fucking
Tsaka
Tony
si,
Stark dead.
si Bruce
Target.
Banner. Bruce Banner.
Hulk.
is still there.
Yeah, Bruce
Yeah.
Banner. Bruce Banner. Si Black Widow, she also dead. She turned into a
She
Soul
did.
Stone.
She became Soul
I
Stone.
like the
and
new,
si
I like the new,
Hawkeye.
I like the new Black Widow. She's
May
fun.
bagong Black Widow?
Yeah, like Yelena. Si
Is that new
Yelena.
Black Widow?
Yeah, si Yelena. Yelena.
Yeah.
Literally
Si ano,
Black
si
Widow?
Hawkeye.
Sa New
Yeah,
Avengers.
sa New Avengers. Yeah, Yelena.
Si Hawkeye
Sa
ba?
Thunderbolt.
Okay, Pilay.
Oh my fucking
Yung IRL actor niya, Pilay gago.
No.
Dado na gago.
Saan na siya si Hawkeye, no?
Okay, wala. We got fucking Captain America. Well, yeah, Steve Rogers was there. Nakita natin. Bumalik siya.
I think that guy caused an incursion.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Sa
That
talaga yung
motherfucker
problema.
did.
Just so that he can get his
Bumalik
old
this
ass
time, di na
pussy, bro.
umuwi.
Tangina,
Retired
ginawa niya
si
yung
Hawkeye.
ginawa ni Soldier Boy eh. He wanted his old ass girlfriend, bro.
Agent Carter?
Baba. Yun lang. I think, yeah. And Doomsday, tapos yung Pickleball will also be in Doomsday, guys. So, abangan niya yun.
Tama.
Alright, Pickleball will also be in Doomsday. Anything else? We did miss or anything we're fucking
Rene
anticipating?
Barterbonia is gonna return in Avengers Doomsday, man.
Putang ina mo, hayop ka. Let the boy rest. Holy shit.
Yeah, you know what? I want to talk about that. What's wrong?
Alright,
with
fuck
the
it.
no.
Let's talk about it then.
What's
Okay,
wrong with
Rene-
those?
Rene Barter-
What is wrong with those people, man? Why those kind of people make it weird? Like every fucking time.
Feeling ko, here's the only thing, okay? Maybe I'm just looking at this ng tunnel vision lang, okay? Pero feeling ko, alam mo yung parang ginagawa ng mga yung mga kanal vloggers na nagyayakapan lang sila. I think they're doing the same thing for Rene. Kasi kumikita
Ano
sila.
ulit yung cost ng ni Rene?
He drowned.
Yun yung
He
sa
He drowned.
Okay.
And then now, ginagawa siyang parang patron saint or ginagawa siyang
Oh my God.
ginawa ng rebulto and everything. Like,
Let the
people
man
are milking
rest
the
in
fuck
peace,
out
bro.
of this
Sa may
poor,
notebook na
poor
nga
boy,
siya eh.
bro.
May pinost nga sa diba yung si Rene Royce, yung may earnings sa Meta.
Yun na nga, nakailang beses. Dude,
Thank you, Rene.
dami ko na nakitang ganun.
Isip.
Yung mga kita nila from merch, yung mga
Oh, yeah,
kita nila
merch.
from ad revenue, nakita nila from other fucking sources, man. Yun, dun sila nagpapasalamat. They're patronizing this guy, this poor kid, kasi kumikita sila. And then nagdadamayan lang sila. So kung kumikita yung isa, if I patronize this kid as well, then magdadamayan lang, mag-share sila ng algorithm. And then ayun na. Sila lang yung nagkakaroon ng ecosystem na yan.
Bro is actually bro is actually much more successful in death rather than in life than Kai Soto, man. Holy shit. It's nakasar talaga ako bakit ganito yung yung kultura dito eh.
Basta pag pwedeng pagkakitaan, they will fucking milk that shit. They will capitalize on that. It's just sad though. It's just sad state of affairs, man. I tell you what. Yun lang yung nakita ko about kay sa nangyayari kung bakit siya what do you call this, pinupuri tapos pinaggagatasan ng mga tao. Because they literally get milk from it. You know? Nakita kong revenue doon, $100 in a month. That's crazy. That's actually pretty high. Kung puro Rene lang yung inaano mo. I don't know. It's just weird as fuck.
Yeah.
You know. Poor kid. Sino naman kaya sunod na anuhin nila, no? Pag nakita nilang wala na yung revenue nila kay Rene, hahanap na naman sila ng bagong iidolin nila or yung gagatasan nila. Ano ba? Ano pa nangyayari? Fuck. Do you guys wanna talk about Fox Silly? Fox Silly?
Fuck silly.
Silly ka?
Hindi ko kilala yun.
Fox Silly ka?
Of course.
You guys wanna talk about that?
Pak Silly.
Chris, your thoughts? Fox Silly ka? Yay or nay?
Nay. Nay.
Smash or pass?
Smash or pass, bro?
Pass, man.
Smash or pass?
I get it. I get it that,
Swipe left.
I get that the Philippines needs a very high income na industry dito sa Pilipinas, but AI infrastructure is not it, man. It's just gonna damage the environment.
It's more of like we're not ready for it.
Yeah, we're
Like,
not ready
parang-
for it. Yeah.
Ay, agree ako dyan. Agree ako, dapat may paksili ka.
Bakit, Neil?
Ayun, no, para makita mo yung background ni Neil, para mangyari yan. Para mas gumanda yan.
Dahil sa paksili ka yan. Kaya mo inaano yan.
Ah.
Support yan. Okay, so alam nyo na guys, pro paksili ka po si Neil. Okay, it's not our...
Akala ko yung sili. What?
You're irredeemable, man.
Gusto ko yun, maanghang.
You're irredeemable, man.
So, ito
Paksili.
ang nakikita kong argument sa mga tao na pro paksili ka is mostly because yun nga, like, the Philippines desperately needs an upgrade in infrastructure. Paano tayo ilang
It's
beses
not
na natin
infrastructure.
tinanggihan yung mga chances na ma-upgrade yung ating industriya. So, ito na nga yun. Ba't pa natin palalampasin? Well, here's the thing. I don't disagree that the Philippines needs an upgrade when it comes to like infrastructures. But the thing is, the simplest way for me to like describe it in gaming terms, okay? Red alert, fuck it. So bago kayo magkaroon ng putang inang battle laboratory, kailangan nyo munang pagdaanan yung ibang tiers. Kaya nga, construction complete, new construction options. Hindi nyo pwedeng skip yung mga in-between bago mapagawa yun. So, yun yung ginagawa ng Paksilica. If we put the fucking Paksilica right now with our poor-ass present infrastructures, we won't be able to sustain it. Kasi kahit nga yung Amerika, di ba, yung mga AI data centers nila, hindi nila safely maintain. So, paano pa kaya tayo? You know? It's
I'll
just...
give you a tinfoil hat
Go,
to think
John.
about.
I want your tinfoil hat. Go for it, bro.
Kaya low ang supply ng kuryente. Just so pwede mo taasan yung presyo niya.
I mean, that's how capitalism works.
Yeah, that's how capitalism works.
Supply and demand in it. Like, that's what's going on with our fucking gas prices right now, too, dude. Like,
So what if we always had like more, bro?
what do you mean always had more?
I think
Like,
that
if we
is
had
the
a-
point. I think that is the point.
That's the point. Like, parang, ito
If
nga,
we have
sinasabi
more
na, kaya
energy.
naman ng nuclear, kailangan naman sana, kaya sana ng AI, yung masustain yung AI data centers energy kung may nuclear power plant tayo. Asan yung nuclear power plant natin? Na hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin, di ba?
And there's a lot of people
Kahit
who's
ngayon,
like
hindi maano, di ba?
very anti-nuclear.
And the thing is, like, it's the same argument din. Like, the main reason why hindi rin matayo yung nuclear power plant is because, like, we have poor infrastructure to even fucking start it or to even, like, maintain it as well. So, instead of, like, investing on an AI data center, ang hindi na investahan is yung mga present infrastructures na dapat ma-upgrade na, which is super outdated. So, kung na-upgrade yan, edi sana may steps yan. Like, level 1, and then once we're done with level 1, we go to level 2, and then maybe eventually, we can go for, like, a better... what do you call this? Like, maabutan na natin yung nuclear power plant, and then from there, it opens up more fucking infrastructures na mas kailangan natin.
Ang bago pa magawa ng
AI
Pilipinas,
data center,
you're already, ano?
we're skipping, bro.
Bago pa magawa ng Pilipinas yan, you're already buried dead dyan sa London. I swear.
I'm proud of probably. I agree. Ayun. Ano pa ba? I think that's it. For yung main gripe ko sa Paksilica. It's just, we can't. There's so much to lose.
Does the
There's
people
just too
even
much to
have
lose,
the
bro.
power, alam mo?
To what?
Like, alam mo, we can cry about it sa internet, but can we really stop it?
Yeah,
Alam
we
mo?
can. If we stop voting the people who's like forwarding that kind of shit and then formal protest and shit. But we're not gonna do that.
All right, we're too,
Nah, that's
we're
not
too
gonna
busy
happen.
surviving, bro. We're too busy fucking tickling,
We stop
bro.
voting the people?
Yeah, we stop voting the people who wants that to happen.
Nah, you're not changing the minds of these motherfuckers, bro. I'm not gonna mention names.
And the sign na It's on its way,
Alam
bro.
mo, yeah.
Fucking project's on its way. All we can do now is just protest about it, talk about it, and then let's see if there's any kind of fucking improvement with it. Kung ma-delay man or matanggal lahat. But fact of the matter is, it's already signed.
well,
we're
wait, sa
just
Tarlac yun,
waiting.
di ba?
Yeah, dito sa ano,
Good luck, guys.
Tarel ko, bro.
Tarel ko, bro. But that's the
Nah,
ironic
alam mo
thing.
ngayon,
Tangina, may
once-
energy crisis na nga dyan sa Tarlac. Putang ina. Tinatarel ko nga si Chris every fucking day.
Once a week?
Yung once a
Or
week
like
po,
3 times
magiging
a week,
once a
yes.
day na yan, bro. Magiging Christmas na dyan every fucking day, man. Welcome to Albay experience.
Ayaw mo nun, everyday, everyday Earth hour.
hopefully by the time na...
Ay, sana kung may maayos na meron ba diyang maayos na park, maayos na Greenland space,
Well, hopefully by the time na matayo yun, wala na ako dito sa Tarlac. Or sa
Ay,
Pilipinas.
welcome to Pampanga!
Or sa Pilipinas. Either way.
Wow!
Either way.
Ito
Fuck
nakikita
this
ko,
fuck this
no?
country, man.
Can I say something about yung quality jobs na pinapromise ng Black Silica? Like, how many fucking jobs is it gonna give?
Actually,
Dami.
just like
Philippines, yeah?
5 digits. 5 digits. No less.
5 digits
Dami.
of Filipinos, and then these Filipinos would probably need like a specific skill set for it.
Yeah,
And-
yeah.
So
Like,
you need quality Filipinos for these quality jobs, right?
Yeah.
So how is that gonna affect the fucking lower classes, diba? Like,
Minors, I guess.
Are
yeah.
you?
is it?
Are you?
Yung magbibuild. Yung mga
Magbibuild yung mga yung...
construction. New construction.
Construction, yung
Sila eh.
nagmimina ng
Si Foreman,
ng
gago.
mga bagay-bagay. diba?
Minerals natin. Putang ina na.
Ever since na inunban
Not worth
ni
it.
Duterte yung yung mining operations dito sa
Anti-mining,
Pilipinas, it became just a slope of corruption all over again.
Congrats, guys. Congrats sa 30 million.
Sino ang presidente mo, Chris?
Wala akong presidente.
There's always corruption now.
That's a trick question.
Wala akong presidente.
Wala nang mapili. Gago.
Ang gusto ko lang
Wala nang mapili.
gusto ko lang na ginagawa ni Marcos yung yung foreign policy niya, pero that and by that may evil side of the coin din yung foreign policy niya, which is this Pax Silica thing.
Bro wants to launch a fucking rocket.
Bro, how is he gonna fucking launch a rocket kung yung
Bro,
INC mismo
launch
is
a rocket,
not even him anymore, man?
alam mo yung sinabi ng asawa niya, yung nakampanya sila. Nanood sila nung Ant-Man. At dahil nanood sila ng Ant-Man, gusto na nila na mag-run as president. And there you go. Diba? Bro probably watched fucking Dr. Stone the other day and he was like, I'm gonna build a rocket to the moon, bro.
Because I
How
can.
the fuck?
Yes, I can.
Paano nga? How is he gonna
don't know
fucking do
the
that,
fucking
man? How is he gonna fucking do that? The space program dito sa Pilipinas doesn't even like him anymore. You know?
Sabi daw,
We have
hindi
a
naman
space
daw
program.
pang space program.
Look, have you seen
Ano
the
daw
fucking
yun?
rocket ships that
Pang
they're
mga
building
weather
all
daw
over the
yun.
place?
Para daw ma-predict yung mga weather.
Hindi gets
Nabasa ko lang.
hindi gets sa mga to na sinasabi ko.
Nabasa ko lang, mga pang rockets daw yun, pang mga weather shit daw yun.
Bro is so high every day. Like, he wants to go even higher, bro. Holy shit, man. That's crazy.
Tangina gusto ng gusto ng space program. Saan ka kukuha ng resources mga space program? Tangina wala kang gasolina for the space rocket. You don't even have the materials to build the fucking space rocket.
Ito pa,
Siyempre, sa boost natin magaling
ito pa yung
yan.
gusto ng like, ito pa yung isang argument ng mga tao. Like, there are also those who are well aware, like super aware na, okay, Pax Silica, absolutely bad. It's gonna ruin everything around the fucking Tarlac, New Clark City, and everyone's lives around it. But, parang tinitingnan na lang nila is yung silver lining, which is, if we build Pax Silica right there, then it serves as some kind of barrier against the Chinese. Like, by putting like an American infrastructure right there in the heart of New Clark City, kind of serves like as some kind of deterrence sa
Yeah,
mga
like,
Chinese.
it's a
Like,
front
hey,
to the
you
Chinese.
you can't build anything anymore here around us. Oh, okay, tapos you can't come closer to us. Layo-layuin niyo yung mga barko niyo dyan. Okay, kasi maglalagay rin, hindi lang AI data centers ilalagay namin dito. We got rockets and shit.
Unmanned drones.
Yun yung tinitingnan ng ibang tao. Yun na yung mga inaano ng mga tao, yung ng iba, like parang, you know what, just so that masabi nila na anti-China sila, they'll go for the Pax Silica thing, you know, magiging pro Pax Silica sila.
Well, Philippines is entering a very delicate foreign policy crisis. Kasi the Philippines cannot really stand to become neutral between the dick measuring contest in China and America because both of them are trying to assert control in the region. Most of the Southeast Asian countries are really pissed off against China since they've been bullying the West Philippine Sea, those parts of China Sea.
South China Sea, East India Sea.
Kasi
yeah, bro.
if you're choosing a side, all has bad benefits from it, you know.
Yeah, we're into deep, bro. We're already into deep, man. Like fucking
Yeah,
Chinese
hindi ko na alam
infrastructure here has
pinag-usapan
been
niyo, boss,
has been integrated for so long na dito na parang there's
Masyadong political.
demerits for everything.
Gloco ano na to eh.
Ganun talaga, bro. We gotta
Podcast
talk about
eh.
this shit,
Yeah,
dude.
man.
One and done lang namin to, okay? You know, just let Chris cook, oh. Enrich yourself, Neil, okay? Just enrich
This is
yourself.
Chris. Saktong-sakto kasi di ba pumunta rin si Lance doon.
No, and now, natira na siya ng mga DBS.
isa pa problema yun. Yung ginagawa siyang ano. Ano daw na siya ngayon? CIA planted influencer.
Nagawa na siya propaganda material.
ng US. So, yan. Alam, hindi ko rin alam yung mindset ng mga ng mga DTS.
It's more of like 30 fucking 3 years in this world na nagpagkait ko na parang people just they just want to belong somewhere, you know? They get shunned from let's say for example, I used to support this thing. Okay, like parang may pinaglalaban ako sa ganitong bagay. Pero yung mga tao na pinaglalaban ko, suddenly they don't like me. They betrayed me. So ang gagawin nila is like, since I don't belong on this side anymore because they don't accept me for my shit, I'm just gonna go to this side who accepts me more. Kahit mali sila, they're gonna accept me because like as humans, we want to belong somewhere. For example, like may mga tao dun sa bundok, di ba? Yung mga militia doon. Ganun din sila. At one point, they were brilliant people who had bright dreams. They had like ideas to make things better for society, and yet parang maybe, you know, like pinagtawanan lang sila. Society fucked them up. So what do? They just go against society instead. Kahit alam nilang mali, pero at least doon belong sila. May boses sila. So I guess that's the same thing for these guys. You know, they belong there. Birds of a feather flock together, right? You know what I mean? See? Ganito yung pag-iisip ko. Hanap ako ng mga tao. Ganun din yung pag-iisip. Kahit baluktot pa yan, di ba? Human nature, innit?
I'm like in between with this shit, you know. Ano na sila, mag-pickleball na sila, okay, doon. Walang politics.
See, for example, si Neil, hindi siya sponsor ng basketball. So, he feels betrayed. So, saan siya
Lumipat
pumunta?
siya sa pickleball.
Pickleball.
Kasi doon siya belong. Doon siya na-appreciate ng mga tao. Tama? Ano naman lang yun?
Ano lang, simple lang yan. If hindi, nyo, di ba? Like, hindi kayo magkaparehas ng vibes, yun lang.
Exactly. It's all about the vibes, Chris. Ganun lang talaga.
it's
Tingnan
all
mo, yung
about the
unit
vibes,
team, hindi sila nagka-vibe. So, ano nangyari?
Kahit
sila.
Anyways, that's probably it for now. Okay, like, at least na sundan natin tong weekly podcast natin. Next week, sana tuloy-tuloy, we'll talk about other things naman. Because apparently, every fucking week may ganap na something. So, I you know, like, the world is getting more interesting nowadays when it comes to topics. So, hopefully, next week ulit. Sana 5 na tayo. Di ba, Ken? Tama?
Yes, sir.
Tama. Alright.
Yung PRX
and,
naman.
PRX naman. Neil, PRX. Sabihin mo sa camera.
Dami ng entry, ano?
Dami na entry, kailangan ng PRX.
Tama.
Ayaw nila, tirahin nila reacts na lang. Sige. So this Monday.
Record tayo ng PREX sa pickleball court.
Nah, bro. What the fuck? Alright. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching our weekly podcast. Sana consistent na to. Okay. Wala talaga, guys. Tickle ball
Sana.
was a mistake.
Sabihin mo sarili mo yan.
Nah, man. Tickle ball was a fucking mistake, man. Honestly, bro.
Sino ba pickleball? Di ka naman nag-aayong podcast eh.
Nah,
Ngayon ka
bro.
na nag-ayay. What the fuck,
Kung mag-podcast tayo sa pickleball court,
Nag-record
diba?
tayo, diba?
Putang ina, araw-araw.
Hindi. Tickle
Kailangan
ball
lang may
was-
mag-aya, guys. Kaya sabihan nyo si Gloco. Okay, PM nyo siya. Pag nag-stream,
PM
sabi
siya.
na, Gloco, next week, this week, mag-record kayo ng podcast. Ganun.
Usapan nyo to.
PRX
this Monday,
Ganun.
Bro. Kaya tingnan nyo to. Tingnan nyo tong Patreon na to. This Patreon right here, hindi siya
Tama.
nagtitikol, okay? He will never tikol, bro.
This
He will never betray us, bro.
Gagi, kasali sa amin yan.
Hindi yan, bro.
Nagpipickleball yan.
Hindi yan makikipagtikol. Hindi yan makikipagtikol.
This is the Patreon, bro.
Oh, yeah, that
Oh
one. That's the
my
Patreon right there, too,
God.
bro. Holy shit. He fat, bro.
Chuchi, come here.
What the fuck?
Look at how big he is, bro.
Yeah,
Sa
imagine
ulo ko.
lahat ng siopaw at siomay na pwedeng magawa using that, bro. Damn, that's crazy, bro.
Yan ni Chuchi pumunta.
And also, yeah, big thanks Sa lahat ng mga Patreons namin.
Next
I have no idea how you guys
podcast.
kept supporting us all this time. Kahit nasa hyperbaric time chamber kami. But thank you so much. Try namin ayusin. Okay? Ay, tikul
Next
bol
time in PR Podcast.
Ay, tikul eh. Thank
Loco
you so much.
tries pickleball and Chris
You bro,
tries
shut the fuck up
pickleball.
with that shit.
Shut your
Okay,
mouth.
hindi na yan. Okay?
Let's go.
Shut your
May
whole
download mo na
mouth.
yung Palworld. Yan, yung mga sponsor nila. Fuck you kayo. Okay? Kasalan nyo yan. Huwag mo i-sponsor yun Huwag nyo i-censor yun. Editor, huwag mo i-censor yung mga pagpapakyo sa mga sponsor nila. Okay?
Follow
Kasalan
na,
nyo yan.
tara na.
Ang isensor mo,
Kita
yung
nyo to.
isensor mo, yung mga yung yung
Oo,
paddleboard.
i-censor ba yan yung mga ano nila?
Paddleboard
Pag sinabi nila. Kasi mo yung mukha ni
Kita
Neil.
nyo to. Backhand. Ay.
Bading.